Why? True, not you and the Nivalla. The petitioner is not attended in court proceedings. Then why NBW? So why NBW? No, that one. Give it. We'll see.
Charge sheet was already filed, my lordship, and we filed IA for amendment, but orderly interim order subsisting shall continue. IA,
Continue.
my lordship, CC number.
All further proceedings ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ, don't worry about it. Third matter ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲದಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, my lordship.
ಪವನ್ ಚಂದ್ರ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ.
Yes, my lordship.
On 18th September,
Very too much.
in one PMLA matter, my lords directed to list one matter at 3:30. Today it is not listed, my lord.
Those two officers.
No, my lord, that is with respect of one search and seizure was conducted. On the same day, the matter was listed before this honorable court. And we were permitted to continue the search and seizure up to 6 o'clock. And thereafter matter was listed on
Yes,
18th.
what happened to that?
Today it was supposed to be listed. Today it is not listed, my lord.
Yeah, urgency ಉಂಟಾ?
There is some urgency, my lord, for that reason. At least tomorrow it may be listed, my lord.
That Lodha committee ತಾನೆ?
Yes, my lord. Along with other 4-5 matters, the court directed to list the matter.
Tomorrow ಎಲ್ಲಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
At least before vacation, one particular day, my lord. And thereafter it may be taken up. Because I have to.
ನಾಳೆ ಹಾಕಿ.
Yes.
My lords, there is an auto precipitated order, my lords, which has been passed in March. My lords, from there, my lords, there is nothing which has been precipitated by the respondent. My lords, just because, my lords, I reported the news, my lords, which your lordship has passed day before yesterday, my lords. Now they have reported in 41.
What is that?
My lords, it's an interim order passed, my lords, by the honorable court.
No, this 41A notice has been issued because their investigation has not been stayed. I have been told, my lord, if he wants to appear through video conferencing, let him appear and cooperate. My lord. Then we are not insisting on his personal presence in Bangalore.
ಈಗ ಸ್ಟೇ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ?
Not to precipitate and
ಸ್ಟೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ?
My lords, when after this, my lords, matter came up
in
before
fact,
this
they are
honorable
offering
court.
even let him come online.
They
and then he
themselves
can
said,
say
the
that-
lord, there is not to precipitate order, will not do anything. That's the reason, my lords, it has been extended. My lords, now, my lords, from that day till yesterday, my lords, they didn't do anything. Only because, my lords, 24th, I reported the news.
You're a news person, is it?
Please, my lords. My lords, my grievance would have been, my lords, if other day they have given different task. Just because I reported the news, my lords, now they are doing this.
Let's
They are
tomorrow.
saying that
Please,
let him
my lords.
come online, my lord. We don't even.
ನಾಳೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Yes.
Obligation.
Let's that tomorrow. ಇನ್ನು ಯಾರ್ದು ಕೋಪ ಯಾರ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕೋದು? Yes.
Obligation.
ಧಾರವಾಡ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಮೇಡಮ್? ಧಾರವಾಡ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್? ಧಾರವಾಡ ಬೀಚ್ ಇದಾ? ಎಲ್ಲದಲ್ಲೂ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲೂ ಇದೆ.
Matters pertaining to Dharwad bench? Admissions in
All. Yes. List after 2 weeks, interim order subsisting shall continue to the next date of hearing. Next,
number 2,
same order,
number 3,
same order,
number 4,
same order.
number 5,
Interim order, there are 5. No, yes, madam, all 20 matters, list after 2 weeks. Interim order subsisting shall continue to the next date of hearing.
Serial number 13, my lord, serial number 13. The stay ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು.
Sorry?
Serial number 13 ಅಲ್ಲಿ
Ah.
ಅವರು ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟೇ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು.
ಈಗ ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿದಾರಲ್ಲ?
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಾವೇ ಬರ್ಸಿದ್ರು.
ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿದಾರಲ್ಲ ಈಗ?
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು
Yes.
ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್ ನಾಟ್
ಎಲ್ಲ will take it there.
My lord, serial number
Matter
11.
at serial number 11, my lords. That 11.1 is
Now-
not connected.
11.1 connect ಆಯ್ತು.
Lords, well, that is not connected with this matter.
My lord,
Lords,
connect-
that is
my
the
lord,
local-
My lord, it is
Now-
connected
now-
with 15, my lord. I
My
appear for
lords.
receipt in this.
1 minute.
Serial number 11 was filed in respect of accused number 4 and 5.
ಅದು ಶ್ರೀಕಾಂತ್ ಭಟ್.
ಹೌದು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಹಾ.
Now I have filed a petition bearing number 1027999 of 24 in respect of accused number 6.
Where is
Kindly
that?
maybe
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅದು?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಫೈಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಬಟ್ ಟುಡೇ ಐ ಆಮ್
ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಈಗ?
ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಕೈಂಡ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ
I will tag it and hear it there, no problem.
ಎಸ್
Yes. List all these matters after 2 weeks.
ಎಸ್
List after 2 weeks. Interim order subsisting in any of these cases shall continue to the next date of hearing. Common order, yes.
Please.
Next. Continue.
This number 2, seal number 17, please continue.
My lord,
Yes, sir.
my lord, petitioner number 1 is resident of Andhra Pradesh, my lordship. He had come to the house of his sister, my lord. Petitioner number 2, my lord.
Ah,
My lordship, there was some commotion in the
no commotion, 354D.
my lordship, kindly see the, my lord, there are no contents at all. my
No, no,
lordship, in
let
the-
the,
My lord, kindly
ಯಾವಾಗ
see the-
ಸರ್ವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್?
I have given a complaint regarding assault on me, my lordship, on 28th, my lord.
No problem.
Subsequently, they have filed a complaint, my lordship. Kindly see this one, my lordship. They are against the petitioner number 2, not even a single whisper, my lord. In the complaint also.
Your
except
accused number?
Both, my lordship, petitioners are 192, my lord.
192.
Brother-in-law and wife's brother,
Okay.
accused.
79. List after 2 weeks.
Lord, interim order.
No,
my
sir,
lordship.
not in 354. ಅದು ಎರಡನೇ ಸರಿ ನನ್ನ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು.
ಹೌದು.
I have not granted first time only. Yes, next.
Found in this case, my lord, this is the Bowie Corporation matter.
Ah, yes, sir.
18 and 29 are same. my lord.
Ah, correct.
18.1, may I make a request to kindly take serial number 29, my lords.
ಆಯ್ತು 29 ಕೊಡಿ. Your office is the Bowie Corporation, is it?
Plus, no, my lords. Bowie is not even related to this complaint. The officers of Bowie, there is no allegation against the Bowie, nor the Bowie.
ನಾವು ಈಗ 29 ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
May I request to
29
kindly
ಏನ್
take
ಹೇಳಿ?
Page number 65, the complaint. my lord. May I read the complaint? It is nothing related to the Bowie.
All right, ಹೇಳಿ.
Plus, one Srimati Kalavati, Surya Kalavati files a complaint
Hmm.
in the year 2023.
Hmm.
Making an allegation that on 11th, and may I read the entire complaint.
Hmm.
Because ಮೇಲೆ ತಿಳಿಸಿದ ವಿಷಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ಮತ್ತು ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಡಾವಣೆ ನಿವಾಸಿಗಳಾಗಿದ್ದು ಚಿರಪರಿಚಿತರಾಗಿದ್ದು ಅಕ್ಟೋಬರ್ 21 ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಬಡಾವಣೆಗಳ ಇತರ ಸುಮಾರು 46 ಮಹಿಳೆಯರನ್ನು ಸಂಪರ್ಕಿಸಿ ಬೋವಿ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ನಿಗಮದ ಉದ್ಯಮ ಸಾಲ ಕೊಡಿಸುವುದಾಗಿ ತಿಳಿಸಿ ಸಾಲಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಜಿ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಲು ಬೇಕಾಗುವ ಅಗತ್ಯ ದಾಖಲಾತಿಗಳಾದ ಆಧಾರ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್, ಚುನಾವಣಾ ಗುರುತಿನ ಚೀಟಿ, 4 ಪಾಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಚೀಟಿ, ಫೋಟೋ, ಜಾತಿ ಮತ್ತು ಆದಾಯ ಪ್ರಮಾಣ ಪತ್ರಗಳನ್ನು ಒದಗಿಸುವಂತೆ ತಿಳಿಸಲಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ಸುಮಾರು 40 ಜನ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರು ಅವರು ಸೂಚಿಸಿದ ದಾಖಲಾತಿಗಳನ್ನು 11/10/2021 ರಂದು ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ಅವರ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒದಗಿಸಲಾಯಿತು. ಅದೇ ದಿನಾಂಕದಂದು ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಂತ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಪದ್ಮಾ, ಕಾಂತು ಒಡೆಯರ್, ಅಣ್ಣಯ್ಯಪ್ಪ, ಸಂತು. In this, my lords, I appear for accused number 8 and 7.
Names?
Anika Enterprises and New Dream Center.
Your agents, is it?
We are not even agents.
Then
We are nowhere related to Bowie.
all right. ಆಮೇಲೆ.
May I read, my lords? ಇವರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ದಾಖಲೆಗಳನ್ನು ಬಂದಿದ್ದ ಮತ್ತು 3 ಜನರು ನಮ್ಮ ದಾಖಲೆಗಳನ್ನು ಪಡೆದುಕೊಂಡು ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಕೆಲವು ದಾಖಲೆಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಬಿಳಿಯ ಖಾಲಿ ಹಾಳೆಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಸಹಿಯನ್ನು ಪಡೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಅರ್ಜಿಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ಸಾಲ ಮಂಜೂರು ಮಾಡಿಸಿಕೊಡುವುದಾಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ಆಶ್ವಾಸನೆ ನೀಡಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರತಿಫಲವಾಗಿ 25,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕಮಿಷನ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕೆಂದು ಸೂಚಿಸಿದರು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಪ್ಪಿದ ನಾವುಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲಾ ದಾಖಲೆಗಳು ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಪದ್ಮಾರವರಿಗೆ ಹಸ್ತಾಂತರಿಸಿದೆವು. ನಂತರ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರ ಮಹಿಳೆಯ ಬಳಿಯಿಂದ 2 ಖಾಲಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಸಹಿಯನ್ನು ಸಹ ಪಡೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಲಾಯಿತು. ಅದನ್ನು ಪ್ರಶ್ನಿಸಿದಾಗ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನೀಡಬೇಕಾದ 25,000 ಕಮಿಷನ್ ಹಣದ ಭದ್ರತೆಗಾಗಿ ಸಹಿ ಪಡೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಿರುವುದಾಗಿ ತಿಳಿಸಲಾಯಿತು. ನಂತರ ದಿನಾಂಕ 20/11/2021 ರಂದು ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಖಾತಾ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಸೋನ್ಸೋ 25,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿಯನ್ನು ವರ್ಗಾಯಿಸಿ ನನಗೆ 50,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿಗಳು ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಂಜೂರಾಗಿದ್ದು ಹೇಳಿ ಪದ್ಮಾರವರು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 25,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಅವರ ಕಮಿಷನ್ ಕಳೆದುಕೊಂಡು 25,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಖಾತೆಗೆ ವರ್ಗಾಯಿಸಿರುವುದಾಗಿ ತಿಳಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
All right.
ನಂತರ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ಅವರು 2,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕಮಿಷನ್ ನೀಡುವಂತೆ ಒತ್ತಾಯಿಸಿ ಫೋನ್ ಪೇ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಪಡೆದುಕೊಂಡರು. There is no allegation with regard to accused number 7 or 8, except my lords at the last 3 lines. This is in respect to allegation made against accused number 7. May I read that, my lords?
Yes.
ತಮಗೆ
Yes, sir.
ನಮ್ಮ ಗಮನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಾರದೆ ಈ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ನನ್ನ ಹಣ ಖಾತೆಯ ಹೆಸರಿನ ಖಾತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಖಾತೆಯನ್ನು ತೆರೆದು ಬೋವಿ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ನಿಗಮದಿಂದ ಈ ಖಾತೆಗೆ 27/10/2021 5 ಲಕ್ಷ ವರ್ಗಾವಣೆಯಾಗಿದ್ದು, ನಂತರ ದಿನಾಂಕ 9 ಮೇಲೆ ತಿಳಿಸಿದ ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಖಾತೆಯಿಂದ 5 ಲಕ್ಷ ರೂಪಾಯಿ ನ್ಯೂ ಡ್ರೀಮ್ಸ್ ಎಂಟರ್ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್ ಎಂಬ ಖಾತೆಗೆ ವರ್ಗಾವಣೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ.
All right.
There is only one against accused number 8. Except with regard to accused number 7, my lords, if my lords are to kindly go to page number 67. Last complaint, last ಮೂರ್ line. 67, Anika Enterprises ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಸೇರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಹೌದು.
There is no allegations as against Anika Enterprises.
You are
accused-
Anika Enterprises.
Ah, the
Yashaswini.
first petition, my lords, is with filed by Anika.
No, you are
Enterprises.
New Dreams Enterprises.
8640 is filed by Anika Enterprises.
No, you asked me to take this matter.
Please, my lords. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ
9102.
please, this is with regard to New Dreams.
This is New Dreams.
Dreams.
Accused number 7.
All right. May I make a request, my lords, to kindly take page number 74. Plus 75.
Yes.
Plus, we have a business with the complainant where we have raised the bill, tax invoice, including TDS. Kindly see the amount, my lords. 4,89,992.
All right.
Plus, may I make a request to kindly take page number 78. This is what the agreement which complainant executes in the year 12/1/2022. All these allegations, my lords, the date, if my lords are to kindly take page number 79,
Yes.
the dates and amounts which she has told that she herself has issued a check in my favor for the said business matches with the same check numbers in the complaint.
Yes, sir.
Well, if these allegations, if I had taken, if there is a business in 2021, keeping quiet till 2023, Mulats, and filing a complaint in March 2023, making allegations against me.
Now, who is the complainant?
Mulats, complainant is Surya Kalavati, one by name Surya Kalavati. She had done a business. There is no allegation as to any officers of the Bovi Corporation or any of the officer. Bovi Corporation is not the complainant.
In none of these cases.
None of these cases.
All right. Yes, this is your case. Nimdu.
And in 8640, my lords,
8640.
18.1. 18.1,
8640. Madam, the 8640 put it.
serial number 18.1.
Yes.
This has been filed by Anika Enterprises.
Ah.
In this, only one word in the last line of the complaint has been inserted. Well, what has happened? Well, petitioners have taken bail. They went before the police officers, gave the statement, everything, Mullahs. Thereafter, Mullahs, they were called daily and made to sit in the office. That is the reason why we approached before this honorable court. So though there is no allegation as against the petitioners, they have been summoned each and every day. And we have a private relationship. Mullahs, 78 and 79 is the agreement which is entered along with the complainant. And what the checks which she has agreed, what the checks which she says that it has been encashed is mentioned in 2022 itself. If she was aware that I have misused any of the checks, Mullahs, in the year 2022, she would have not waited till March 2023 to file a
Where
complaint.
is the complaint here?
Mullahs, complaint is at Mullahs page number. Mullahs,
Same
is-
complainant.
Same complainant, all the same
Same
complaint,
crime.
same crime number.
Same, yes.
There's no separate crime numbers. Mullahs,
All
all are same crime
Indu
numbers.
adena?
8225, my lords.
Ah.
Accused number 4.
Ah.
Unless he is nowhere connected with the crime. He is a resident of Indagi Taluk, Bijapur district.
Why are you roped in then?
Lots.
Why are you brought in?
May make,
That's.
may
He
tell the
belongs
reason.
to Bowie community. He is a active person in the Bowie community.
The reason, Mullahs, they had a
He's a
separate
teacher.
business. Mullahs, they were the beneficiaries under the Bowie corporations.
And there is no
They had to
money
do the,
transfer.
One nimsham.
they had to do the business. They didn't do the business. When Bowie corporation wanted to file a complaint against them. Now they filed a counter complaint against us, having separate relationship
Now
altogether.
has Bowie Corporation complained against any?
No, my lords.
We have implicated them also as an accused
Where?
in the same case.
Officers of the Bowie Corporation. What investigation have you conducted?
In state, my lord, there were two reasons that stay, my lord. One,
Let the investigation go on. They will not file a charge sheet without the leave of the court.
Let them my lords, let them not summon me without any unnecessary
That I
reasons.
will observe,
Please,
but let the
please.
investigation go
Yes.
on, you produce the investigation papers
yes, ma'am.
by the next date. And however, we left out the officers of the corporation,
No,
there
we
is
have,
fraud.
we have the one difficulty, my lord, there are 17A approval was granted.
Huh.
Coordinate bench has stayed the 17A approval. Your lordship, remember, my lord, that due to that, the trial court has discharged the accused when we produced before the trial court, which we came up before your lordship, my lord, in criminal petition, one of the criminal petition.
We have that, Justice
17A,
Krishna Kumar order.
17A approval.
The same officer, my lords,
Two of, again, three, against.
though
three
having the
people.
order of this honorable court, produces the accused before she arrested
That-
afterwards.
That
We are aware of it.
I passed some order.
Yes,
in
yes,
that.
my
Yes.
lord. Lordship has passed an order. But
Anyway,
anyway,
number,
we are moving
number
that
kudi,
also, we are
number
moving.
kudi.
I'll give that. We're
Give
moving.
that number. Let the investigation go on. They will not file the final report nor harass you.
Please,
That I will.
that
Because
observation.
we
will continue.
May
want
please-
the investigation, what has happened and gotagle.
May place this document, my lord, to show
Kudi.
how money trail has been transferred. Though they claim that the originally, my lord, the accounts have been created. And I also placed a letter, my lord, issued by the corporation to the bank, asking not to issue checkbooks and other things to the beneficiaries. A private separate account has been created.
Hmm.
And the account details are not furnished to the beneficiaries. Their own letter, my lord, corporation writes a letter to the bank and tell them not to issue anything. And with that,
Right? Yalla, you produce all the investigation papers by the next date.
yes,
This court, in all these cases, had granted an interim order of stay. The learned counsel, learned additional SPP submits that an investigation in the case at hand would become,
special PP in this.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವಾ? Special public prosecutor, B.N. Jagdish would submit that investigation in the case at hand would become imperative as there is alleged large-scale misappropriation of funds of the Bowie Corporation. Whether it is at the hands of these petitioners or the officers of the Bowie Corporation would only be bought out only after, would be bought out only after an investigation. Therefore, the investigation in the case at hand shall continue, but the investigating officer or the station or the officer in charge of the police station shall not file the final report after the completion of investigation without the leave of the court. The entire investigation papers be placed before the court on the next date of hearing. Is 1 month, Becca? The petitioners shall cooperate with the investigation.
We have already given statements.
One నిమిషం. Shall cooperate with the in the garb of investigation, no coercive or precipitative action shall be taken against these petitioners, nor they be unnecessarily harassed if they are cooperating with the investigation.
Much.
Yes. List the matter for further hearing on 30th October.
Sir, one more matter supposed to be listed today,
Kudi,
my lord, it is
adu.
not listed.
Further hearing on 30th October. Let it come, we'll see what is it.
Much of it.
Yes.
We are not shying away from the investigation.
That is why, yes.
ಇದು
ಅದು
other two
ನಂಬರ್
matters,
ಕೊಡಿ, 17 ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಡಿ.
few matters.
ಅದೇನದು?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ madam.
ಅದು ಕೊಡಿ. Tag the petition along with so and so. ಅದು ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡಿ.
One more petition has to be tagged, this one.
Not the 17A, don't tag the
This is
17.
not 17A.
Yes.
This is
Or-
not listed, my lord, your lordship, I have to list that and there
ಅದು-
also stay, my lord.
ಆಯ್ತು, tag that petition along with, tag the petitions along with so and so, list them on 30th October.
ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ stay ಇದೆ,
If
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು
there is a
matter stay.
modification for that order, my lords, I don't know.
ಅಲ್ಲ,
We are not filed that.
ಏನು?
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು matter
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು
stay
matter
ಇದೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಅದು ನಾಳೆ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡು. Not the 17A.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
That is before the service bench.
ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಬೆಂಚ್ ಅದು.
One the GM ಆಗಿದೆ, ಒಂದು service ಆಗಿದೆ. One in service candidate, one is retired person, other, there's some issue. GM roster in the one,
That's okay. 17A ಬೇಡ, ಇದು ನೋಡಿ.
much.
29.
I appear for the petitioner.
In this case, my lordship, wound certificate, JJ Act, my lordship.
Huh?
4 injuries are found, my lord.
JJ Act,
Please, my lord.
ಕೊಡಿ. Burns.
Superficial burns are the nature of injuries
So what?
and they've invoked grievous hurt.
You're not arguing a bail petition, sir.
Lord, I am arguing for quashing of the petition. This is regarding the mother. The mother has inflicted the injury. The nature of the injury was superficial and there was reason for this injuries being inflicted, which I've stated in my petition.
Why?
This boy, who's the second victim, was found lurking inside my home. Now, this boy has been invited by my daughter, who's a young juvenile. That is admitted. Now, when these two were caught, I intended to hand.
Who's the complainant?
The complainant is the legal protection officer, child protection officer. He has blown it out of proportions. This incident happened on 25th. And we do not want to make a hue and cry of it because this involves the reputation of my young child who's studying in a PUC now, a girl child. I'm a single parent. Now, on the 29th, it appears that the second boy, has complained to the legal protection officer and he's blown it out of proportions. He's taken my child, placed her in custody in the protection unit for 4 days and then released the child. And
Your
this is
daughter, taken
my
your daughter.
Yes. And this child is now in a college, she's studying in a PUC in Mangalore. She's settled in life. She's at least resuming her life. Now, should these events traumatize her life is what I humbly plead.
Notice ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
Notice, my lord.
The mother is a
Where is the
single parent.
complainant? Complainant ನೀವೇ. Yes, learned HCGP ಆಗಿದೆ. Accept notice, learned HCGP accepts notice for the second respondent as well. Less the matter after 4 weeks, there shall be an interim order of stay of all further proceedings, quay these petitioners till the next date of hearing. Next.
Petitioners, the matter pertains to an application that comes to be dismissed, which was filed to assist the prosecution. The previous date, my lords had remarked that,
So there is no bar to assist, but you can't get an order from the hands of the government. What is the offense?
the offense is, the charge sheet comes to be filed for 341, 504, 506 and 427.
Yes, Jagdish.
The assist to prosecution is permissible.
You can assist the
The trial
prosecution.
court has rejected the application.
Trial court has rejected the application, making out a reason that I have not accorded reason or, this is not a case which is of
Assisting the
extraordinary.
prosecution is permissible even without an application. We'll keep this pending, we'll direct assistance, yes. The
Application is required.
application is.
24/8 and
24/8 application, you will not appoint.
Not needed.
301.
304.
302.
302.
301 or 302?
301 subsection
301
2.
subclass.
302 is where I conduct it independently, my lords. I am only for assisting under 301 subsection 2, read with 24/8, that is engaged.
What is the problem then?
No problem. Could have been.
Yes. The petitioner is before this court calling in question an order dated
5/7.
5/7 by which the concerned court rejects the application of the petitioner filed under subsection 8 of 302 or what? Filed under subsection 2 of section 301 and read with 24/8 of the CRPC, seeking to assist the prosecution in conclusion of the trial. The concerned court relying on in judgment relying on
Jagjit Singh, I have stated before the trial court.
the concerned court rejects the application. Rejection of the application has driven the complainant to this court in the subject petition. What is the offense you said?
341.
The complainant on 19/10/2022 registers a crime for offenses punishable under, madam, synopsis allide. Punishable under so and so in crime number 138 of 2022. The police conduct investigation and file a charge sheet for offence punishable under 341, 504, 506 and 427 of the IPC. The issue in the list does not relate to the merit of the matter. The petitioner files an application under subsection 2 of section 301 and subsection 8 of section 24 of the CRPC, seeking to assist the prosecution. This has been rejected. A perusal at the order of rejection would run foul of the judgment of the apex court. Where is that, Jagjit Singh?
Also relied on your lordship's judgment in
I have
Scania.
myself said so. Where is that?
I've produced that, my lords. Scania.
Scania. No, that is with regard to legal representative.
In that page 28, my lords, the lordship relies on the judgment of the Madras High Court and Allahabad High Court to
Yes.
make an observation.
Anyway, we'll follow Jagjit Singh. With regard to the victim, no problem. Yes. Don't beda. The said finding of the concerned court would run counter to the spirit of subsection 2 of section 301 of the CRPC. The victim of the complainant is always at liberty to assist the court on an application, assist the prosecution on an application being filed under the subsection 2 of section 301 of the IPC. It is only towards the conclusion of the trial, or to assist the prosecution in the trial. In that light, the order dated so and so is rendered unsustainable for said reasons quashed. The petitioner is permitted, the application filed by the petitioner stands allowed. The petitioner is permitted to assist the prosecution in the trial so conducted in CC so and so, CC 17907 of 2023. Ordered according.
Much obliged.
21.
My lord, the petitioners are accused number 2 and 3, my lord. And the allegation against, the entire allegation is against accused number 1.
No,
And the accused number 3 is residing in Bangalore. He is a software engineer. He is working here. No nexus in between them.
16th, list on 16th. In the fresh matters list. Next.
Appearing for the petitioners in this matter, my lords. The last occasion, the
Yes,
Petitions
Shantanu.
are ready, my lord. I'll file it. My lord. Your lordship may have it on Monday, my lord.
Summons returned delivered is.
Madam,
Oh, this is Companies Act.
please, please, madam. For a moment, my lord, madam,
Lahaki, Monday fresh matters al tagone.
please,
List on Monday in the fresh matters list.
please.
Monday will take place.
Lord, probably if I file it today, my lord, it may not come to the.
my lords may have it on first
Therefore-
Monday. I'm out of station.
Huh?
First, my lords.
30th. Sir.
I'm out of station that day. Any
Appear online. Sir. Yes.
Even if I file it, my lord, it may not
You
be.
ready?
Ready then.
Kudi. Our copy kudi.
Put it.
The learned DSJ Shanti Bhushan files a statement of objections. The same is taken on record. Release.
Please.
document, you take it on 15th then. 14th or 15th.
No, let it come on 30th. We'll see. Yes.
Please, my lords.
Lord, this, I've been told, my lord, in this by the ROC, my lord. But there is a matter with regard to QNet, my lord, a company, my lord, which is operating in other countries also. My learned friend has also said that, my lord, they're investigating in that aspect also, my lord. If my learned friend can say something, my lord, if he's implemented. Jagdish, QNet. QNet, I think that loan apps.
The phone app,
Not
loan
loan
app.
Not loan app, my lords. Not loan-
QNet is a loan app.
No, my lords.
You are QNet.
No, I'm a sub-franchise holder for,
Bihan.
I am in this petition, I'm the director of the company that is sub-franchise holder for QNet.
Anyway, 30th will.
I'm
Please,
on the
get in
knowledge
the
of the
fresh
facts.
matters list. Yes.
I'm the proxy counsel for respondent number 2, my lord. He seeks a short accommodation due to some his personal inconvenience.
Number 1, my lord, the allegation is that my section 419, 420 and
419.
6, my lord, 419, my lord.
Huh.
The allegation, so far as this petitioner is concerned, my lord, is a practicing advocate in Arsikare, my lord. There is nothing.
Charge sheet agilva.
Charge sheet is filed, my lord. My lord, there is a suit which is filed by the accused number 2 and in the complaint, my lord. For that, my lord, he assisted, that is the only allegation is that, my lord. They filed only complaint against this person, my lord. He is the son of
16th, list on 16th. Yes.
Till then interim order, ma'am.
No. Yes, next. List after 2 weeks.
25.
Petitioner is a pawnbroker. Petitioner is a pawnbroker, your lordship. Respondent to is compelling the part, the pledge.
List after 2 weeks, interim order subsisting shall continue to the next date of hearing. Next.
Petitioner. Matter where
Proceeding
7
under-
times they have taken adjournment. They have not cross-examined 138 matter.
Well, it's not
this
sought
might-
to
yes, sir.
cross-examine. Let's in this
And
case.
there were,
Well, it's,
and there are
Petitioner
about,
Mellot is-
ಈಗ first application ಯಾವ್ದು sir?
well, it's first application.
ಈಗ
was an
ಹಾಕಿರೋದು
application-
91.
91.
Well, it's, I had filed an application under 311.
Where is the order rejecting?
Well, it's-
Where is that? And not the.
It is
report
at
of-
page number 110 minutes. Page number 110 is the order wherein my application has been rejected, minutes.
Hmm.
And the application, why, the finding for why it is to be rejected is at page number 114 minutes.
Hmm.
The court below says, if I can read the orders.
Yes.
The accused have contended that the complainant in their complaint alleged that the accused business has not conducted the Chit business in accordance with the conditions imposed by the deputy registrar for Chits. And further, he has also complained about various irregularities which have transpired during the course of the Chit business. Further contended that the accused have issued check in question for the purpose of security. Further, the complaint did not produce the documents before this court. As such, it is necessary for the accused file this application. It is settled position of law that whoever has approached the court must prove their case by leading cogent evidence. In the application, the accused has not stated and properly explained what reasons this court directed the deputy registrar to produce the aforesaid documents. Therefore, only on the basis of an application, this court not directed any persons the deputy registrar production of documents. This is the finding, my lords. My lords, why it is required, my lords, says, I am a chit fund company, my lords. Petitioner is a chit fund company. And this particular chit which the respondent has subscribed, it is for 100 months which commences from 2015, my lords. Now he pays until April 2019 and subsequently he stops payment of the installments, my lords. Monthly installments have been stopped. Vindictively, he interpolates my security check and presents that for encashment. My defense before the court below is that this agreement, Chit agreement, has not attained its finality. And this Chit is supposed to conclude in the month of September 2024 is my submission before the court below. And for that reason, I have sought for summoning of the documents from the deputy registrar for Chits. My lords, in my application which I filed before the court below, if my lords could kindly turn to page number 142 for a moment. Page number 142, the documents which I have sought to summon, my lords, is a bylaw by which I have been carrying on the Chit business, and another document, a Chit agreement, and the minutes which have been submitted every month, which would go to depict that I have been carrying on the business regularly, my lords. I have been carrying on the Chit business regularly, and it is supposed to end in the month of September 2024, my lords. So I have sought to summon the minutes and another complaint which this respondent himself has instituted before the deputy registrar for Chits. These were the documents which I had summoned, my lords.
Anything else, sir?
My lords,
311 application lo ಅದೇ prayer, ಅದೇ ground ಮೇಲೆ allow ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. You have not cross examined. Again 91 ಅಲ್ಲಿ you are bringing in same thing.
my lords,
Read all
311
your 311
my
application.
lords, 311 application, I cross-examined, my lords, but I could not summon the minutes. my lords.
No, sir. Anything else, sir?
My lords, another opportunity, my
No,
lords,
no,
to
sir. I'm not
cross-examine.
going to grant.
My lords, another opportunity to cross-examine PW1, my lords. I will myself go to
311
the-
application ಹಾಕಿ.
my lords, if it could be left open.
7 times he has filed, my lord.
My lords,
11.
if that could be left open. to me,
Then I will not leave anything open.
my lords, I will
I will
summon,
close this first. I will
My
not
lords,
leave.
I will summon the documents
When
from
it
the
is
deputy
reserved for
registrar.
judgment, he has come.
My lords, I will
Not
summon,
at all, sir. I am not.
if I can submit, my lords, if I can summon those documents from the deputy registrar for Chits and cross-examine,
Same submission, same argument in all these applications.
Yes.
my lords, any date which. my
And you have
lords-
cross-examined that PW1 not once, many times on that ground. And another application you want to file?
My lords, one opportunity to
No, no, sir.
cross-examine him on the minutes, my
No,
lords.
no,
and the
this is
minutes are
91. I am going to dismiss 91. Yes.
Well, it's if an
Whatever,
if an
whatever you want,
opportunity-
any remedy you have in law, you can avail of.
Well, it's one opportunity to.
I'm not going to be explicit in anything.
Well, it's
11, 7 times it is dismissed.
well, it's if the.
No, sir.
Well, it's
This
if the
is
deputy
clear
registrar.
Abuse of the process of the law. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ಗಳು ಮುಗಿಯಲ್ಲ ಜಲ್ದಿ.
Well, it's if the deputy registrar for chits is directed to produce this
Sir,
documents.
he has appeared in person and told those documents are not available. You want
Okay.
those documents now under
I have not
21.
summoned him, my lords. I have
These
not summoned
ploys
the-
ಯಾಕೆ sir? Leave it.
My lords, I have not summoned the deputy registrar for chits.
PW1 ಯಾರು?
PW1 is the
ಇವ್ರು,
respondent
ಆಮೇಲೆ,
complainant.
yes.
PW1 is the respondent
Complainant.
complainant and he is the only witness who has been examined in the complaint, my lords. Deputy registrar.
That you, whatever you want, these documents are already, it is said that they are not available
My lords, there is no such endorsement which is given.
in the earlier
Trial-
applications.
My lords,
You
that doesn't
summon
mean-
whoever you want, sir. This,
Well, it's
this
all
petition
those
I'm going to
applica-
reject.
My lords, all those applications were filed by me under 311 minutes. All those applications were to cross-examine PW1. Because these documents were not readily available with me, I could not cross-examine the witness. One opportunity,
Pass an order. No, no, I can't pass any order on 311. If you have the remedy, you avail of.
my lords, one opportunity, I will summon these documents.
No,
from
I
the
will not,
deputy
sir.
registrar
I will
for
not
chits.
give you any opportunity. You have misused it. ಒಂದಲ್ಲ, ಎಷ್ಟು application ಹಾಕಿ?
One opportunity,
ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. No,
ma'am.
sir.
My lords, let there be a direction that this matter be disposed of within a stipulated time.
That I will do.
I will summon those
ಅದು
documents.
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Judgment ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ.
My lords, if this application could be summoned with by the deputy registrar for chits
Judgment
within a
Reserve,
stipulated,
reserve.
within a stipulated
That
time.
is when they opened this.
My lords,
No,
within a
if it were to be a real or a genuine case of real injustice caused to you, fine. 7 times.
My lords, in this case, I have not even been permitted to adduce defendant
No,
evidence.
sir.
I have no opportunity.
Take whatever it is, ground in
Well, it's
appeal,
Now this matter is posted for judgment, my lords.
ground in
The
appeal.
moment my petition is disposed of, my lords, there will be a judgment against me.
You avail of any remedy as available in law, that's all. Let the court consider that and pass orders. This I will not.
Please.
Let him file any application
Please.
he wants if it is necessary.
In fact, 311 blood he had filed.
11 ಹಾಕೋಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಹಾಕಿ.
If I can have the
Final
benefit
Haki.
of the interim order at least for a week, because the court below, my lords, it is slated this matter on 10th.
Could say.
my lords. In the event,
On 27.
10th October alವಾ? 10th October.
10th October, but he will immediately advance, my lords.
No, 10th October you file whatever it is.
Please.
Not even 311, on 27, 24, they, due to the inconvenience.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು
caused-
ಹಾಕ್ಲಿ. See, if this 91 application I will not permit.
Yes.
If you want 311, you file.
About 2 months ago, he had filed blood in July. Even that,
All right.
that
Well,
court
I
had
will
allowed.
only-
He
I will
didn't avail
If
the
you want the deputy registrar's evidence,
My
file
lords,
an application.
I
with
want to
someone.
just summon the documents, my lords. I would want to just summon the documents under 91.
check
my lords.
bounce case. Chit is-
Summon the documents.
just
to
he is
depict
running
that
the
this
Chit, he has all
transaction-
these
These are
documents.
138 proceedings. sir.
My lords, just to depict that these transactions are still going on and the chit fund is
Yes.
not attained its final.
You avail of any remedy. We file an application, you want to file. This I'm not permitting.
Please, please.
If I can have the benefit of the interim order at least till 10th, my lords, immediately he will advance the matter.
It is the same.
Because it is
Next date,
reserved for
10th,
judgment.
10th, next date.
Matter
date,
is
10th.
posted for 10th.
10th.
Then do one thing. You withdraw this and avail of remedy. I will extend the interim order till 10th.
If it could be relisted tomorrow, I'll withdraw this petition.
Why?
ಯಾಕೆ?
Telangana Council appearing for the petition after arguing the matter at length would seek leave of this court, withdraw the petition and avail of remedy of filing necessary application before the concerned court. The liberty so sought is granted.
But Lord,
He
he will
would-
again block the proceedings.
He would, one ನಿಮಿಷ,
using
ಅಲ್ಲಿ
this.
ಬರೀಲಿ. Yeah, don't worry, next. He would submit that the case is listed before the concerned court on the 10th. And if interim protection is not continued, the case would be advanced and the case itself would be closed. He would be shut out of his defense. In that light, till the 10th of October, i.e. the next date of listing, the interim order subsisting today shall continue. The continuation of the interim order would not mean that the court would continue the same. Court shall take pass appropriate orders on any application filed in accordance with law.
Please,
Great.
oblige.
Twenty, sir.
For the petitioner, my lord. Prosecution has been lodged under the Factories Act, and I was supposed to pay certain amount, my lord, as per the
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
statement. Lord, I have prepared a DD for rupees 2,50,000.
ಕೊಡಿ ಅವ್ರೆ.
That,
State ಗಲ್ಲ.
the respond number 3 is, or otherwise, but directly I will send it by post to that particular person.
Please do that.
Yes.
This court on 4/9/2024 had passed the following order. The learned counsel Madhukar Deshpande holds in his hand a demand draft of rupees 2,50,000 to be paid to the family.
Oh, my lord, to the injured.
Not for injured, to the injured. The same shall be done by the next date of hearing. Interim order subsisting shall continue to the next date of hearing. Yes, next.
28.
This with regard to forest offences, my lord. I'll pass on the
Forest offense.
orders passed by the. ನಮ್ಮ
Huh?
ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟ್
Jagdish, you should get ready in this.
Yes.
84 ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸರ್.
ಏನಂತ?
ಅದನ್ನ
84 ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
84 ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಲಾಟ್
84 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿರೋದೇ.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೂ ಇದೆ. ಅದು ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 84ದು ಕೊಡ್ತೆ ಅದ್ರ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ.
ಕೊಡಿ.
ಕೊಡಿ.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯಾರಾ ಇದೆ. ನೀವು if I remember this.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
Short notes.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್ ಹೌದು ಸರ್. ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ಶಿಪ್ ND ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್.
ನೋಡಿ ಜಗದೀಶ್, ಲೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಜಡ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಕೊಡಿಯೋದು?
ಇದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಸರ್. ಲಾರ್ಡ್ಶಿಪ್ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್ ಕಾಪಿ.
ಎಸ್ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್.
ಅದ ನಂಬರು ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಬರೀತಾರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಓವರ್ ರೈಡ್.
Criminal petition 10185 from 2027.
Criminal petition
10185 2017, ma'am.
185 of 2017.
Yes. 9th February 2024.
ಯಾರು?
Sachin,
ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಸಚಿನ್ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು. ಅದು ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಬೆಂಚ್.
division bench.
ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ನನಗೆ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಅದು ಕಾಣಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ನೋ ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಸಚಿನ್ ಅವ್ರದ್ದೊಂದಿದೆ.
I passed on last time.
ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಡಿ, ತರಿಸಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. List that list on 14th in the fresh matters list. Yes.
ತಮ್ಮದು ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಅದು ಅವತ್ತೇ ಮಾಡುವ.
ಎನಿಮಲ್ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ
ಅವತ್ತೇ ಮಾಡುವ. ಎಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್.
29 and 30.
376.
Appearing for autumn, my lords.
Ah,
My lords will file objections and wakalat in the name of.
promise of marriage,
Yes, my lords.
It's covered by this.
covered is, but he should get an opportunity.
Yes, my lords.
When?
After vacation, my lords will.
After vacation. Yes, sir. Lest the learned counsel so and so undertakes to enter appearance for the respondent. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the issue in the list stands completely covered by the judgment rendered by this court in Prakash versus State of Karnataka. And several judgments of the apex court, the issue revolves around the breach of promise of marriage and springing.
Lords in Bangalore, that Yadgame lords. Lords, kindly see, there is no allegation as regards.
Document.
Lords,
Yadgirlidarenake.
there is no allegation against which.
Yadgirlidarenake document.
Lords, I could not able to produce any document. Lord. Division is this, my lord. Lord, there is no allegation in the complaint against petitioners. Lords, only because, my lord, the petitioners, my lords, there was a, lords, earlier, my lord, there was financial transactions against them, complainants and petitioners. I'm not, he owes, my lords, 2 crores rupees to me.
If it was a case for an interim order, I would have granted the dates. You are accused 1 and 2.
Yes, my lords.
In an offense under section 307, 302 neither.
302, my lords.
302.
Yes, my lord. 307, my lords. I'm sorry, my lords.
ಯಾಕೆ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
307, my lords.
Yes, sir.
Lords, kindly see the complaint, lords. There is no allegation against the petitioner.
Sir, ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಆಗಬಾರದು
Lords,
ಅಂದ್ರೆ
only,
what is this?
lords, let them.
In a case of 307, if you say that there should be no
Lords,
investigation.
reading of the entire complaint, lords, there is no allegation against the petitioners. Lord, the allegation is against
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
only against,
ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿ.
lords, only against accused number 325. Lords, no, nothing is said about a
In
petitioner.
307, I will not stay unless there is at least, and unless there is some evidence brought out or some investigation happening. Lest
Lords,
the matter.
I will cooperate with the investigation. Lords.
Cooperate, sir.
Lords, let them not take any
No,
precipitated
no, no,
action
yes,
against.
you cooperate. 307.
Lords, kindly see, lord, the
You will
allegation.
cooperate. You list the matter on 23rd October in the fresh matters list. Investigation learned HCGP to secure the investigation papers conducted till 23rd October 2024 and place it before the court. Yes. Now you cooperate.
Yes, lord.
ಸ್ಟೇ ಕೊಡೋಕೆ ಸರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವತ್ತೇ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್.
32.
The petitioner is accused number 2.
the atrocity and the offense, my lord, 406, 420, 465, 468. The sale permission was granted by the deputy commissioner, my lord, to the second respondent, subject to condition that she has to purchase the property and the property should be sold to the third parties. She has purchased the property as per the condition of the sale permission. Again, where the property was sold. Thereafter, 12/7/2023, she has
HCGP to emergent notice.
and a connected matter. my
Put
lord,
it, tag the
in
petition
crime
along with so and so.
was, stayed.
There shall be an interim order of stay for the proceedings by these petitioners till the next date of hearing.
And tag this petition.
Tag. Tag. ಅವ್ರೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅದ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. Yes.
thirty-three.
I represent the petitioners. Madam. Section 345 of Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act and Section 312 and 511 of IPC. Madam.
Yes, sir.
But the complaint is at page number 13. But on 26/6/2024, at about 12:30 PM. my lord,
Yes, madam. I asked you for the papers.
Please move.
But the first petitioner is a pharmacist in a government hospital. Second petitioner is his wife. My lord, she runs the hospital.
Madam.
They are not even doctors by profession.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
My lord, even my lord, there is no victim, my lord, who says that she was admitted in the hospital.
What did you find there, madam? ಏನ್ ನೋಡೇ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಇದನ್ನ? ನೀವು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಫ್ಲಾಗ್ ಆಗಿ ತಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. What did you find at the time of inspection you should show?
ಗರ್ಭಪಾತಕ್ಕೆ ಬಳಸುವ ಉಪಕರಣ.
ಅದು ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅದು ಹೇಳಿ.
Nothing.
ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೆ second time I am telling you, just flag it up and give it ಅಲ್ಲ. Relevant pages you should see and flag it up and give it.
But this
Otherwise I
complaint-
will stay these matters.
But this complaint came.
Just on first. At the request of the learned HCGP.
Right, only my lord, on the basis of
In the fresh
complaint of
matters, yes.
DHO, my lord, this complaint came to be.
Just on first.
54.
Sudarshan.
With regard to abetment, my lords, abetment for suicide. The petitioner is the government employee in Tamil Nadu, my lords. So she was a director. My lords, she has filed a case for rape against the deceased. So after the inquiry, he was suspended.
Who is suspended?
The deceased was suspended because she has filed a complaint, my lords, in.
Who is this complainant is the wife of the deceased?
The complainant is the wife of the deceased. my lords. She files because her husband commits suicide of rape.
Charge sheet ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನು investigation ನಡೀತಿದೆ. That will also will find in page 27.
ಕಳೆದ 9 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, 9 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. My lords, in the complaint she's page 20, my lords. ಮಾನಸಿಕ ಕಿರುಕುಳ ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ಎಂಬ ಮಹಿಳೆ ಕಮಿಷನರ್ ಕೊಯಮತ್ತೂರು. ಇವರು ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಕಾರಣ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
You are commissioner at Coimbatore.
ಕೊಯಮತ್ತೂರು on training ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. My lords, kindly to page 27, my lords, lordship. I filed a case, my lords, page 27. 376.
Against whom?
Against the deceased, my lords.
376.
ಹೌದು, 376 ರೇಪ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇರುತ್ತಿದೆ.
That is 2024.
Please. Annexes.
All consensual acts.
Okay, my lords.
Huh?
No, ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು 31 ಅಲ್ಲಿ he was suspended, my lords, later.
Yes. The husband of the complainant commits suicide. The petitioner is drawn into the web of crime for offense punishable under
108.
the 108 of the BNS, which is section 306 of the earlier regime, the IPC. The allegation is that the petitioner and the husband of the complainant were having certain relationship. And the complainant and the petitioner had registered a crime against the husband of the complainant in crime number 25 of 2024, alleging offense punishable under section 376, 354A, 506 and 509 of the IPC. The husband of the complainant goes into depression and commits suicide. The complaint is registered by the second respondent, the wife, in which the narration is as follows. Page 20. The narration is 4 months ago, the complainant's husband had been suspended on a report submitted by the petitioner. And she is the reason for commission of suicide of the husband, and therefore it would become an abetment to suicide. The prima facie, the ingredients necessary for abetment as obtaining under ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲೇನಪ್ಪ
ಅದು ಸೇಮ್
108 ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ
ಸೇಮ್
obtaining under 108 of the BNS are not prima facie met. The ingredients of section 107 as obtaining under section as necessary for an offense under section 306 of the IPC has been interpreted by the apex court in plethora of judgments. The latest being in the case of Prabhu versus State of Karnataka, 2024 SCC Online SC page 134. In that light, there shall be an interim order of stay of further investigation qua this petitioner till the next date of hearing. 1 HCGP 2 emergent notice. Next.
Please.
Yes, Ravi Shankar.
5.
Milits. Offense under 341, 323, 324, 504 and 354.
No, I'm not worried about all that. 354.
Milits, this is a counter complaint which is filed
Which is
against
yours?
me. Milits, 49 is my complaint, Milits, which my lords will find it at page number 29, Milits. Page number 29 is my complaint. On 28th, I register a complaint, Milits.
307.
My mother-in-law, that is petitioner number 3, her hand has been disfigured by the son of the
1
respondent. number
HCGP 2 emergent notice in the meantime. Next.
Great.
Nishit.
36.
Para 25 to 28. A witness hostile ಆಗಿದೆ. Para 28 page number 112 ಮೇಲೆ.
Split.
Split out. ಇದು ಐ ವಿಟ್ನೆಸ್
Stay ಉಂಟಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫೈಲ್ಡ್ ಇವನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್.
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ 8.
ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಉಂಟು ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ?
ಐ ವಿಟ್ನೆಸ್ ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಮೇಲೆ.
The-
Para 20
ಇಲ್ಲ, ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್? Acquittal order ಇದೆ.
it was produced my lord in page number 170.
Paragraph
93, paragraph my lord, page 112, 25 to 28.
25 to
28.
all right. Your accused number?
10 my lord.
The petitioner is accused number 10. Gets embroiled in a crime crime number 132 of 2019 for several offences, including an offence under section 302 of the IPC. The police conduct investigation and file a charge sheet in CC 2182 of 2013. All other accused were tried before the court of session and have all been acquitted on the score that the witnesses have turned hostile and the prosecution has failed to prove the guilt beyond all reasonable doubt. The petitioner was at the relevant point in time unavailable for trial, and therefore the concerned court draws up a split charge sheet against the petitioner in SC another
Split up in
112 of
split agilva
split ಆಗಿದೆ.
112 of 9
in
and
split charge sheet in split case 112 of 2019 and SC 70 of 2010. The court that tried the other accused has acquitted the other accused on the following grounds. Page 25, para 25 to 28 in pages
112.
112 and 113. The reason so rendered by the concerned court would undoubtedly inure to the benefit of the petitioner, as the reason is all the witnesses have turned hostile and the prosecution has failed to prove the guilt beyond all reasonable doubt. If all witnesses have turned hostile qua the other accused, it cannot be said that if the trial against the petitioner is permitted, they would depose in favor of the prosecution. Therefore, in that light, permitting further trial against the petitioner for an eventuality of acquittal would be waste of precious judicial time. In that light, I deem it appropriate to obliterate the proceedings against the petitioner, the view of mine, adonide, madam. Yes, next.
37.
Couple of days back, this matter had been come up. 2008 complaint, my lord said, and therefore will not interfere. But much has happened. 2008, he files a complaint contending that the civil court has passed a decree against me in a suit for partition, saying that it is his-
Aditya, I asked records.
My lordship, records are there, my lordship. In this, we have found that the executant of the sale deed died in 1997, my lordship. The death certificate is there. And sale deed is executed on 2005, my lordship.
All right.
And
What has happened? 14 ವರ್ಷದ trial ಯಾಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ?
investigation has not yet completed.
Yes.
Investigation is not complete.
Because he has not at all cooperating with the investigation, my lordship.
What is a question? First, the order sheet are
Appear
produced.
before the investigating officer.
May I just take my lord through two papers?
Yes, sir.
In the complaint at page 15, the complaint begins.
Yes.
At para 3 on 17, the case of the complainant primarily is that his brother has filed a suit for partition at para 3. Brother has filed a suit for partition. That suit for partition against me, I am a subsequent purchaser from the mother.
When was it referred for investigation?
2008. That I'll show my lord at page.
After reference, what has happened?
Nothing. Nothing at all. The type.
Where is the crime registered? Crime number 168 of 2008.
It is on at page 25. On 1st April 2008. Typed copy of the order sheet, my lord, I produced. at page
Cognizance is
27.
taken, sir. Complaint is made, cognizance.
Yes, my lord, it is based on a civil court decree. I have filed an appeal and the decree has been set
Is it
aside.
referred for investigation?
Yes, it is.
Where is the FIR?
My lord, the FIR is at page, I'll point there. 21.
Is this the one, the crime 168 of 2008?
That's right.
For 406, 463, 464,
That right.
420?
This complaint is based primarily and solely on a civil court decree that had been passed against me.
That's all right, but why this 16 years now, no action?
Because he was sailing with me in the suit. That also is a finding of the Honorable High Court. On the one hand, he goes and files a police complaint against me, and in the civil suit, he sails with me, supporting his mother and contending that the transaction is genuine.
Where is that?
That finding, my lord, you'll find at
Annexure
para
D,
10,
Annexure D, page 39 orderly, ಯಾವ paragraph ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ?
para 40, page 43, para 10. The second defendant, that is a complainant. Second defendant, son of the mother, first defendant, filed written statement and supported the first defendant, his mother.
But what were you doing for 16 years without investigating the matter? Yes, sir.
And just one more development. my lord.
ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಬಿಡಿ. Now, what were you doing for 16 years?
Notices seems to have issued only this year.
Huh?
Notices seems to have issued to him this year. my lord,
No,
asking for-
after-
What was the investigating officer doing all these years?
File an affidavit. Last time to file an.
SLP they lost.
Heard, that's all right. Heard the learned senior counsel Dhananjay Joshi appearing for the petition. A crime comes to be registered. A private complaint comes to be filed by the respondents, by the second respondent in PCR 79 of 2008. The matter is referred for investigation. The reference results in registration of a crime in crime number 168 of 2008 for offences punishable under section 420, 463, 464 and 120 of the IPC. 468, 464 and 120 of the IPC. The crime is registered on 29/6/2008. 16 years have passed by. Not even a notice is issued in furtherance of the investigation by the investigating officer.
Now it has been issued.
All right. Till the subject, what is the date? Notice
17 September 2024.
Till 17 September 2024.
11/9 and 17/9. Yeah.
11/9/24 and 17/9/24. Therefore, the investigating officer or officers have been in deep slumber, the crime 168 of 2008 and appear to have woken up now and sent a notice calling the petitioner for investigation. If for 16 years they could not investigate the matter, this court would not permit such investigation at this juncture. However, the who is the competent authority? Above, huh? No, Wilson. Wait. This is Whitefield, Deputy Commissioner of Police. The Deputy Commissioner of Police of the Whitefield Police Station shall submit an explanation, shall show cause as to why action should not be taken against those investigating officers who have not investigated into the matter despite passage of 16 years. Not investigated would mean not even a speck of investigation, as the first notice is issued to the petitioner accused only after 16 years, that too after a reminder being sent by the court as to what has happened to the investigation. This kind of callousness of the investigating officers cannot be countenanced. Lest the explanation be submitted by the next date of hearing. List the matter on 21st October for further hearing.
But in the meantime,
Interim, will not permit it. There shall be an interim order of stay of further investigation till the next date of hearing. First new explanation kodi. Amale.
grateful.
Either I will direct departmental inquiry to be conducted against everybody. This callousness cannot. 16 ವರ್ಷ ಏನು ಆರಾಮಾಗಿದ್ದೀರ. ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾರು ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ವಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್, ಒನ್ ಡೇ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರ, ಒಂದು ದಿವಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್. 16 years you don't investigate. For what reason?
And now suddenly very active. They want to come home. He is a senior citizen suffering from cancer. Suddenly he's so hyperactive now.
Yes sir, SPP ಅವರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಮೂಲಿ. Yes. One day ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಕೆಲವು ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ. 16 years, not one paper has moved for investigation.
429.
This we will take it seriously.
Yes.
Otherwise, you will not improve.
That's
Yes.
grateful.
429.
38.
Yes, state, sir.
This should be in the category of an interested case, my lords.
Nim-
My lords, 25/8/2024, this is the offshoot of Darshan's main case, my lords.
Seriously, ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾಕೆ ದರ್ಶನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, this is a different crime number, 25/8/2024.
ಜೈಲ್ ಒಳಗಿದ್ದಾಗ
I'll just point out, my lords. An inmate,
ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, an inmate, my lords, using a mobile phone. Obviously, they're not supposed to have mobile phones, but he uses a mobile phone, takes a photograph of A1 Darshan sitting with 3 other persons, my lords. Now, this photograph, which was taken, becomes viral. My lords, kindly notice the photograph. This is the basis of this entire FIR. My lords, in the photograph, it's a colored photograph which we're giving, my lords, so that identity becomes easier. My lords, in this photograph, A1 Darshan is seen with a coffee mug and a cigarette, my lords, in his hand. My lords should see that photograph, my lords. A2 is a person, another who's sitting with a coffee mug. Next to him, A3, my lords should see one person who's slightly closed, my lords, not very visible. He's the petitioner before my lords, who's shown as accused number 4. And there's one other
What
person.
was he doing there?
He was sitting with them. Now the whole crime, according to them, is, my lords, the next day comes this registration of the FIR. Please notice the FIR. Now their entire grievance is, my lords, A1 ought not to have been smoking there. This is the grievance.
SPP ಅವರೇ, offense is the best force of defense. So you offend, ಒಳಗ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ ಯಾಕೆ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಿದ್ ಯಾಕೆ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಕೇಳೋದು. ಯಾಕೆ ಇವ್ರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು?
My lords, please notice now, my lords, what are the offenses they're alleging? Now we will see the offenses which they allege. Page 6.
Karnataka Prisons Amendment Act.
Howdu, my lords, Karnataka Prisons Amendment Act 42 is a punishment section. Now, what is the rules that are violated would be relevant, my lords. 2 rules they say that are violated. My lords, in my petition itself, if my lords would kindly have.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ violated rules ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ?
ಅದು ಒಳಗಡೆ, ಅದು in the complaint we get it. Complaint ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
All right.
My lords, I'm sorry, complaint ಅಲ್ಲಿ paragraph 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ my lords, at page 20. The violated rules are rule 25 Roman number 4 under,
Prohibited articles.
yes my lords, under chapter 4 and rule 218 under chapter 15 of the Karnataka prisons and correction service manual. This is what is violated, my lords. My lords should have page 9 of my petition. I have extracted it, my lords. Page 9 alli 25 may be noticed, my lords. Rule 25, page 9 alli. Notice cautioning.
Prohibited articles.
Yes, my lords. Kindly notice what is all prohibited, in which my lords should notice mobile phone. So the person, my lords, who in fact has taken this photograph, he has a mobile phone with him. Then my lords, SIM
Who has
cards are
taken
there.
this photograph?
One person inside, inmate ante, yarante illa, he's not an accused. Anyway, my lords, please notice on the next page, my lords.
ಯಾರ್ ನಿಮ್ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರದು? ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಅವರೇ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ
ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ?
We will inquire into all
The
this.
ingredient.
As your lordship said, offense is the best form of defense.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ you have offended everybody.
ಅವ್ರನ್ನೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಇವ್ರನ್ನೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Yes.
My lords, next page, ತಾವು
ಈಗ ಇವ್ರನ್ನ-
page 10 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, my lords, what is
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದ ನೆನ್ನೆ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ 14
ಹೌದು, ಹೌದು.
ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಅಫಿಡವಿಟ್ ಹಸ್ ಬಿನ್ ಸೋಲ್ಡ್ ಉಂಟು. ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಒಳಗೆ.
That's what you should record that.
Yes, yes, yes. Everything is there. CCTV is there.
Pass that order.
Yeah,
My lords, in fact, my lords, in the prison, my learned friend will also be able to vouch with me. There's a canteen, prison canteen, my lords. In prison canteen, my lords, all articles such as eatable snacks, clothes, or stationery, all this is available. But there's a limit to what you can buy. Up to about 1,200 rupees is what you can buy in the prison's canteen. And my lords, earlier, even it used to have, my lords, cigarettes, BDs, and my lords, gutka, as well as suparis. All this was available. Now, my lords, they say smoking is regulated and not a complete ban. Now, why we see this prison's manual, my lords? Please notice, my lords, at page 10, 218 is there, rule on smoking. Page 10 in my petition itself, I've extracted it because that's a violation.
As per government regulations, smoke is prohibited in all prisons.
In all prisons. Now, please notice their own manual, my lords. If rule 183 is noticed, rule 183, prison offenses, in which Roman number 13 may be noticed, my lords.
You identified smoking zones.
Zones. So you have smoking zones and all this pertains to A1. Now 2, 3 and 4, 2 was holding coffee mug ante. What's the offense? Coffee mug ಹಿಡಿದಿದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ?
ನಾವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ಮಗನೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
ಇದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
Patented mug ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
3 and 4 ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಕಾಫಿ ಮಗ್ಗು ಇಲ್ಲ.
It looks like a different mug, so it is jail mug ಅಲ್ಲ.
It is in ceramic. It is not
ceramic.
steel. It is maybe stainless steel is what they give, I think.
That's what-
my lords, now.
ಅಲ್ಲ,
That's not
now
an
jails
offense.
are improved. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Yes, but that's not an offense according to them, my lords. Offense is A1 having a cigarette in his hand. How is it 2, 3 and 4 you have made as accused? in
We will
this-
have a
for
small
these
inquiry.
offenses?
ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ.
Arrest? ಇದು matter.
Wait, ಆಯ್ತು. Yes, sir.
We will have an inquiry conducted.
What enquiry?
ಅಲ್ಲ, there is a cognizable offense made out.
Cognizable.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ಮಗ್ಗು, ಸಿಗರೇಟು, photographs, release of pictures,
Photograph,
all these
release
are
of
there.
pictures ಯಾರು ಇವ್ರು
All these
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
are against the rules.
ಅಲ್ಲ,
there.
ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ. We will
ತೆಗ್ದಿದ್ದು ಯಾರು?
ಯಾರು ಅಂತ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಯಾಕೆ?
We will have that. ಈಗ ಸ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅದು ಹೋಯ್ತು.
ಇದು ಖಂಡಿತ ಸ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. The offense that you have laid against them cannot be.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ,
ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರು ಏನು ಅಂತ.
ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ ಸರ್?
ಅಲ್ಲ ನಾವು
ಈಗ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ,
ಹೌದು.
ಯಾವ್ದು ಜೈಲೊಳಗೆ ಇಲ್ವೇ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ
ಇಲ್ವೇ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕರಪ್ಷನ್ ನಾವು ಏನು we cannot take up on our shoulders and
That's
we'll
what-
eradicate the.
Exactly. There
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ.
can be no correction
Here
of
and there,
corruption.
there are loopholes. We will correct that. But corruption ಅಂತೇಳಿ corruption ಇದೆ, ನಾವು violate
ಅಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗೆ
ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇವರು ಅಫೆನ್ಸ್ ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
ಹೌದು.
ಈಗ A1 ಸಿಗರೇಟ್ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವ್ರೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಿಗರೇಟ್ ಇವ್ರು ತಂದ್ಕೊಟ್ಟ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಇದು
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇವ್ರು ತಂದ್ಕೊಟ್ರ ಅದನ್ನ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇವ್ರ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕಾಪಿನೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಗೆ.
ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕಾಪಿ? ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ನೀವು ಕೊಟ್ರದ ಅವರೇ ಕಾಪಿ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಮ್ ಅಪ್ ಟುಡೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರ್ ದಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಂಬಾಕು ಪ್ರಿಲಿಮಿನರಿ ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಸರ್ ಇವ್ರು ತಂಬಾಕು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ತಂಬಾಕು ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಏನೊಂದಿದೆ.
ತಂಬಾಕು ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ತಂಬಾಕು ಪದಾರ್ಥಗಳನ್ನು ಬಳಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಕುರಿತಂತೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳ ತಿದ್ದುಪಡಿ ನಿಯಮ ವೈಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಏನಾರು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ,
justifiable ಆಗಾರು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು.
ಈಗ offense is the first
ನೀವು
one.
for the sake of saying that yes, this should be, because it has become viral, we have to register a crime ಅಂತ.
No. He was there in the picture
He is there in the picture. He accepts that he is there in the picture.
with audacity.
But why did you go inside and sit there, sir?
Well, it's allowed. That they don't say is a
They are
violation.
visiting hours.
My lords, ali middle alley, they have an open area, my lords, where prisoners can sit together under trials. Under
You
trial,
are also an accused there.
I'm an accused.
In which crime?
My lords, in a different crime.
Different.
ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಕೂಡ್ಲುಬಾರ್ದು, solitary confinement.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರೇನೋ ಕುಶಲವೇ ಕ್ಷೇಮವೇ ಅಂತ
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
ನಿಮ್ಗೇನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್?
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ.
ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇದಾರೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ, ಏನ್ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ?
ಇನ್ನೆಷ್ಟು ಒಳಗಡೆ
ಅಲ್ಲ, we will not precipitate. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್
ಅವ್ರೇನೋ ಕಷ್ಟ ಸುಖ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೊತಾರೆ, ನಿಮ್ದು ಏನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಡಿ ಬಾಸ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಏನ್ ಸರ್
ಏನ್ ಸಿಗರೇಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ?
ನಾವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ.
ಮತ್ತೆ
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸಿಗರೇಟ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂತು ಒಳಗೆ ಅಂತ we will have a small ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. So
ಇದು ಕೈಸೆ ಆಯಾ ಅಂತ ಏನ್
ಎಲ್ಲ
ಶೋಲೆ ತರ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ,
ಎಲ್ಲ
ಸಿಗರೇಟ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ.
Somewhere they should be an end to all this.
They have to
Yes,
do
sir.
something on the smoking zones also, my lords. It's
ಅದು ಏನ್ ಸ್ಮೋಕಿಂಗ್ ಝೋನ್
ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು
ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳ?
ಸ್ಮೋಕಿಂಗ್ ಝೋನ್
ಏರ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಸಿಗ್ನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ದಂಗ್ ಜೈಲಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಮೋಕಿಂಗ್ ಝೋನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಸಿಗ್ನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Where does the rule provide?
No, it doesn't. He read out something.
What read out something?
Money
It's total ban on cigarette, and how can
Yes.
you permit cigarette there?
No, we will not.
Then
We have not.
smoking zone ಯಾಕೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
Yes, smuggled something. I will
Sir.
look into that. Smoking zone ತೋರಿಸ್ತು.
ಸ್ಮೋಕಿಂಗ್ ಝೋನ್ ಅವ್ರೇನ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ?
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, it has come up for the first time. ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ this is probably ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಡಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರೋರಿಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ವಿಡ್ರಾಲ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾದಂತ ಸಂದರ್ಭ
ಆತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಡಿಕ್ಷನ್ಗೂ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ?
sometimes there may be withdrawal effect. ಅವಾಗ ಕೊಡುವಾಗ
ವಿಡ್ರಾಯಲ್ ಸಿಂಡ್ರೋಮ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಯು ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ಏನೇನ್ ಅಡಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ.
My lords, outcome of this is I was transferred from this prison.
ಯು ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ಡ್.
ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾಲ್ಕು transfer, my lord, different places for this no offense transferred.
ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Now Gulbarga, man, summer time. I don't know. For no offense.
ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ವೆದರ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಇರಕ್ಕೆ.
therefore
But
the question of staying the matter would not arise because he is already there.
Therefore, question of not staying this matter will not arise at all.
Allah,
Yes, sir.
we will investigate. Okay,
What?
where accused ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರು ಮಾಡಿ.
ಇವ್ರದ್ದೇನೋ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರೆ
ಇನ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಇವ್ರ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂಡರ್ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಇದಾರೆ, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
Because of this, see, you have created a problem in all that. You have shifted everybody just because everything has happened and it has become viral.
More importantly, media trial, my lords. Number of these things that happen is media trial. You immediately
All right,
react.
that's a different
It's a
thing.
reaction
They
to
have
what
taken
is happening.
They have taken a decision, all right. Yesterday's matter, if that is the case, it is
No,
pathetic.
it is totally false.
Dark cell ಅಲ್ಲ. 15 hours you make them sit,
No,
15 hours ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಬಿಡ್ದೇನೆ you confine him there in the dark cell, and 8 hours you make him sit in front of the camera.
false affidavit, she has to be booked for perjury. Everything is on record. And false
You
statement is
you don't videograph everything, is
What?
it? The
With
cells
all
and the manner in which the
the camera fixed.
then
So the absolutely false.
ಅಲ್ಲ CCTV
The narrative which is built is based on a paper report. Before they could be admitted to that jail, ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ those days English ಇದ್ದಾಗ
No, that's what you're,
ಅಂಧೇರಿ ಸೆಲ್ ಅಂತಿತ್ತು.
that's what.
ಅದನ್ನ before they could be admitted to that jail from Bangalore, the paper report would say
The
Andheri
paper
jail
report has
Karnataka.
said so. That's, no, we don't go by paper reports.
No, they
But
base.
there is a petition with an affidavit saying that 15 hours you confine that man in accused number
Yes.
14
Yes.
in the prison,
Yes.
and 8 hours in front of the camera.
Yes. The narrative is built based on the paper report issued prior to the admission to that jail. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಡೆಕ್ಕನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಅಂಧೇರಿ ಜೈಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ. On that, this narrative is built. Therefore, she is liable for perjury. My lord, I will
It's
demonstrate.
all right. You tomorrow
I will demonstrate.
affidavit ಹಾಕ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ.
Yes.
ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನ stay ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Yes.
ಅಲ್ಲ, accused number 4 ಮಾತ್ರ.
You are accused number 4.
ದರ್ಶನ್ is 1.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಸಂಬಂಧ?
ಅದೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದೇ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದರ್ಶನ್ is 1.
ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತು. Yes. The petitioner ನೀವು ಈಗ ಪರಪ್ಪನಗರ ಹತ್ರ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಗುಲ್ಬರ್ಗ.
They have sent me to Gulbarga, transferred.
The petitioner who was earlier housed in Parappanagrahara prison, who is now transferred to Gulbarga jail, Kalburgi jail, is knocking at the doors of this court on a crime registered against him for offense punishable under the Karnataka Prisons within bracket Amendment Act 2022, the offense punishable under section 42 thereon. In crime number 418 of 2024, what triggered the registration of the crime appears to be the petitioner, an under trial prisoner in a different case.
My lords, the petitioner is a convict, my lords.
Convict,
Convict.
petitioner,
I'm
a
sorry.
convict in a different offense is seen sitting with the accused in crime number, adenu,
Original crime number
Darshan crime number in,
250 of 2024.
in crime number 250 of 2024 and having a chat. The, having a chat and chat, and having a chat. The allegation is that Darshan is holding a mug and a cigarette. Others, the other person also is holding a mug. And the cigarette has been supplied by you, huh? What is the allegation?
ತಂಬಾಕು ಸೇವನೆ.
And the petitioner is chewing tobacco. All these are banned items into the prison, and therefore the offense has sprung. It is interesting to notice what is laid against the petitioner. The offenses are the one punishable under section 42 of the Karnataka Prisons Amendment Act. Section 20, section adu, Rule 25
Roman 4.
and Rule 218 are the ones that are germane. Sub-rule 4 of Rule 25 reads as follows. Rule 218 reads as follows. Sub-rule 4 of Rule 25 deals with cautioning bringing of prohibited articles into the prison, which enumerates several prohibited articles, including pan parak, alcohol, arms, acid, drugs, and several other items. The petitioner is said to have been chewing tobacco. Rule 218 prohibits all kinds of smoking in prison. The learned senior counsel Sandesh Chowta takes this court to prison manual, which deals with prison offenses. The offenses, smoking is not an offense under the prison offenses if it is done in identified smoking zones. Therefore, the very rule, i.e. Rule 218, runs completely counter to what the prison offense would indicate, be that as it may. For the act of others, it appears the petitioner is already a convict, another crime is registered. Therefore, there shall be an interim order of stay of all investigation only against accused number 4, the petitioner in 418 of 2024.
One clarification, my lords. We said Gulbarga. It seems he's not sent to Gulbarga yet.
Illa idara?
Illa idare. Gulbarga.
You
sorry.
still chewing tobacco here?
Adu ondu sorry, my lords. I
ಆಯ್ತು,
went on
ಕಲಬುರ್ಗಿ ಬೇಡ.
instruction.
Who is housed in Parappanagar.
Deeply obliged.
ನೀವು ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರದ್ದು ಸಬ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರ? Yes.
Because others were transferred. I'm sorry. Yuru Aglila ante he says.
He's already a convict. He's here. Convict transfer ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ you have rules. You can't do that. Yes, next.
Wife's petition, my lord,
Wife petition.
against the, for cashment of the criminal proceedings initiated by the husband.
Oh,
On the
why did the
complaint-
husband
Husband, my lord,
initiate
he is
against
a,
you?
husband is a resident of Davangere, my lord.
ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇರ್ಲಿ, ಯಾಕೆ ಇನಿಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿ?
No, he has given a false complaint before the Davangere police, my lord.
Hmm.
In fact, they are resident, permanent resident of Sindhunur, Raichur. And as a counterblast to the complaint which had been initiated in the Sindhunur, my lord, there are 2-3 cases before the Sindhunur court, against which that he has lodged the false complaint. Will ask me kindly see the complaint,
DGP to emergent notice in the meantime. Next,
interim stay, my lord.
in the meantime. Yes,
40.
Mahendra. ಇದೇನ್ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ? Same matter ಅಲ್ಲ? We'll take it on 24, tag the petition along with so and so. ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಮೂರ್ತಿ ಸರ್.
I have written it by
Numbers ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ.
a pencil ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ.
ಹ್ಮ್.
Was that
Same
item
order. ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು
26
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, serial numbers.
26 and 27. Yes.
26, 27 in the first list,
I
tag
have
this
mentioned
same
it
order.
also.
Alright.
Pencil I have
Yes.
mentioned. Grateful.
Next.
41.
That's the petitioner. That's the
Parties
petitioner
settle
have
ಆಯ್ತಾ?
taken, yes, they've settled the matter. On Monday will be.
Wisdom has prevailed.
Yes,
Ah.
we have to, petitioners have to, and the respondent have to thank my lords.
Why should you sterapa?
That's one request is, serial number 16 ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ದೇ ಇದೆ.
60.
60.
All right.
And that's another two other connected matters are there.
Okay.
That's, I'm giving a list, 4 matters ನಮ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ.
We'll take it tomorrow.
1st October, my lord. Agreement will reach our hands on 30th of September. ಅದೇನಾಗಿದೆ, the person is in Thailand. He has signed it, attested, sent it here. We'll be presenting it before my lord.
We'll take it 30th at 4 PM.
Very.
By then it should be, yes. List the the numbers ಕೊಡಿ. Tag all these, list them on
But
30th.
Signali, one matter is 2021 minutes.
ಬೇಡ ಅದು
No, no,
21 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
that
Tag ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬರುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Yes, ಕೊಡಿ.
that minutes seniority list, it should come before my lords.
Tag that madam. Madam, 21 ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Yes.
Grateful minutes.
On Monday, 30th.
Just one request.
Finally.
No, my lord, one request. The parties are also entering into a compromise petition before the third petition senior civil judge. In relation to a property. That's also coming up on the 30th. So if.
All right, ಅದನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. We'll close all your disputes.
Very well.
Very
By
good.
1st October, if I may request, my lord.
30th we'll take it. First, we don't know. See, yes.
Grateful.
After the.
2 weeks, I will. This, after vacation, ಬರ್ಲಿ. Intermod action, ABI, yes.
Excise Act, my lord.
Huh?
Excise Act 53 violation.
Stay ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ. List after vacation, intermod subsisting shall continue to the next day. Move ಮಾಡಿ. ಈಗಲೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬೇಡಿ, ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್, ಸ್ಟೇ ಇದೆಯಾ? ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅಲ್ಲ, ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲ? ಸಾಕು, ಈಗ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ.
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ವೈಲೇಷನ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. 54 violation that happened with this.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ we have a weak case. Let's see, after vacation, intermodal subsisting shall continue to the next date of hearing. AV.
54.
The bank has declared fraudulent account. There is no stay, my lord. There is a violation of principal natural justice. Only
Howda?
one point. They not issued notice to us, my lord.
ರಾಜೇಶ್ ಅಗರ್ವಾಲ್ ಕೊಡಿ.
Please, my lord.
Give ರಾಜೇಶ್ ಅಗರ್ವಾಲ್.
Please.
My submission, your lordships, on Rajesh Agarwal would be, he has not questioned the declaration of fraud.
Who?
It was declared, the petitioners,
ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
they have not questioned it. In
If they
fact,
have not
fraud,
questioned it, sir, you have declared him a fraud.
that was way back in 2021 itself.
That's all right. Prior to that, notice issue ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ?
Prior to that, there was no notice issued.
Anything else?
My submission would be that prior to FIR, there need not be any opportunity.
FIR, this is the very argument that is declined by the Supreme Court. It would amount to issuing a notice prior to registration of an FIR. This very argument is declined. Am I correct?
Your lordships
Yes.
are absolutely correct.
Yes.
Only one submission in the Supreme Court judgment
This-
itself.
No, Supreme Court judgment itself, Supreme Court, the argument was if registration of declaration of fraud,
Indeed.
declaration of fraud munche, if it notice has to be given, it will be like issuing a notice prior to registration of the FIR. Supreme Court says no. Declaration of fraud is a positive act where you conclude somebody as a fraudulent borrower or whatever. Adak munche ಕೊಡಿ. It has serious civil
Civil and-
consequences and economic is what the apex court has said. Which paragraph? I don't know. Yes, yes. I have also so said.
May I file my statement of objections to the writ petition?
We'll grant stay for this, you file. Yes. ನಿಮ್ದೇನ್ CBI?
Please.
ನಿಮ್ದು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
If he crosses the first
The
hurdle,
petitioner is before this court calling in question an order which declares him to be calling in question an order which declares his account to be a fraudulent account. Or you,
No,
That
the
is-
FIR is only.
He's challenged only the FIR.
FIR is.
He hasn't challenged the declaration.
That's only.
This
That was my respectful submission.
Plus, I took it as one of the ground, I shall amend that to that extent. That's a one.
FIR then notice ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅದು ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ.
let him challenge, my lord. I mean.
Challenge.
I shall amend. my lord.
Vikram is right. But ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ after vacation,
Some date, my lord, sir.
list on 16th.
Yes.
Yes.
Great.
Yes.
Forty-five.
Petition.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಮೇಡಮ್ ಎಸ್ ಸರ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ನೀವೇ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
Nothing, that's it.
ಐ
The five affairs came to be registered, one up to that. If once, to read the file, it has to pass through, 5 stages has to pass through.
Anyway, list on 22nd October. Interim order subsisting shall continue to the next date of hearing. Next.
36.
Yes, I represent the petition in this case.
AVI. Interim order ಇದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸಲ್ ಖಂಡಿತ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
Interim order.
ಇದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ ನೀವು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ.
Interim order.
Yes, next.
In date may be given.
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟರ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ. ಎಸ್ ಮಧುಕರ್.
Is the other
This
occupant,
is 52A.
is the other occupant of the photograph. Is the other occupant of the photograph.
ಆಗ್ಲೇ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಬರ್ದೆ ನಾನು 52A and 50.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. There now new contention is only based on co-accused state. Co-accused state.
ಅದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಅಲ್ಲ, that is correct, tell me, it goes. Huh?
I've later.
I've heard it substantially.
The lordship can reserve, parted it, but
ಆಯ್ತು. List on 21st at for further hearing. Interim order ಇದೆಯಾ? ನೀವು ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ.
ಆ ಜೈಲಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವರು ಫೋಟೋ ಆಕ್ಯುಪೆಂಟ್.
ಓ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್,
Photo
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರದ್ದೇ ಆಗೋಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇವತ್ತು.
ಹೌದು.
ಎಸ್, ಆಯ್ತು. Next.
48.
But take those judgments, I've already written 52A, 50.
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ all those complaints are there. Only
Yes.
issue is
Yes.
your lordship latest judgment on the 52A.
That's what. Enquiry ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? Yes.
48.
50?
48.
48.
50 ಏನಪ್ಪ?
Yes. Change of investigation.
406, 420. ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಎಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ.
Once is passed, my lord, charge sheet is filed.
GST violation.
Respondent number 3 was the chartered accountant of the petitioner. He was supposed to pay GST, my lord, on behalf of the petitioner. He has collected the money from the petitioner and he has not paid it to the GST department. And instead, he has collected excess credit from the GST department.
All your chartered accountant.
Yes, by the respondent number
Who is he? Accused number?
3, my lord. He is a sole accused.
You are the complainant.
I am the complainant.
Why are you before the court now?
My lord, I am seeking change of investigating agency.
Yes, sir.
File is finished.
Jagdish, these matters you should.
Yes.
What is the investigation going on now?
10 months before, my lord, still
Have it on
charge
Monday,
sheet
my
is
lord,
not
will
filed.
secure. Monday, my lord, I'll secure the.
List on Monday in the fresh matters list.
49.
My lordship. My lordship, in serial number 49, my lordship, objection is ready, my lordship. Since in the petition, the individual name has been made as a respondent's, my lordship, officer's name, the permission from secretariat has to be obtained, my lordship. It can be taken up on Monday, my lordship. We have a case, my lordship, in this.
But it is against that particular gazette notification.
ಏನಿದು?
That pesticides are
They
there in the
collect
organic
biosamples.
products, my lordship.
Biosamples, they allege
ಆಯ್ತು ಬರ್ಲಿ.
trace with chemical samples.
Monday,
Please,
fresh matters.
Much
Monday ಇರೋದೇ fresh matters. Monday, yes, next.
Interim order.
Entry order subsisting will continue to the next state of hearing. Oh, there are 12 matters. We'll close all this.
Yes, please, my lordship.
Yes. Madhukar,
Yes, ma'am. For the petitioner, my lord.
We have requested the service of
Senior counsel.
I'll vacate the interim order.
Lordships, maybe.
Your request denied.
There is no interim order.
Oh, correct.
B report has been rejected. No more a friendly match.
Senior counsel was not in station, my lord.
All right, list after vacation.
Much obliged.
Next. At the request of the council appearing to the petitioner. Next.
51.
My lordship, in this case,
I'm withdrawing
the
the
complaint-
petition.
Withdrawing. Learned council files a memo seeking to withdraw the petition, disposed as withdrawn. Next. Upper scope.
52.
List after vacation. Interim order, continue mind.
53.
Same. Interim order idea
Interim order there.
after vacation. Yes.
Lord, office objection was overruled on 37/2024.
Office objection stand overruled. Yes. Next. Shanti Bhushan.
But your lordship, I
Anything?
directed them to produce the records, my lord, the records were produced. Your lordship, I directed them to not to precipitate with the matter, my lord. Offense is 306, my lord.
Abetment suicide.
Abet.
ಅದೇ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ.
ದುಡ್ಡು ಇಸ್ಕೊಂಡೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾವು.
ನೀವು ತಗೊಂಡೇ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಹಾ. ಸಿಂಗಾರ ವೇಲು ಕೊಡಿ.
Please, my lord. I'm sorry, my lord, it's a flagger.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ.
This flagged it, my lord. It's marked.
ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್. ಫ್ಲಾಗು ಮಾರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ.
They followed in Timraju, same, your lordship.
ಒನ್ HCGP ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? This court on 20th September 2024 had passed the following order. A perusal at the complaint would clearly indicate the financial transaction between the two, alleged financial transaction between the petitioner and the deceased has resulted in the husband of the complainant, the husband of the complainant committing suicide. The issue in the list stands answered by issue in the list stands covered by on all fours FOURS into findings in criminal petition 3095 of 2022. Therefore, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings, further investigation, where the petitioner till the next date of hearing the ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಡಿ.
Great.
Next.
55.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹರ್ಡ್ H ಶಾಂತಿ ಭೂಷಣ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿ.
Pay for the respondent local.
Petitioner. Invalid sanction for prosecution. So the board is the competent, he is the
Any-
AAA DESCOM, madam.
7
7 name,
7A
7 name.
ಒಂದು ಎಸ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
Charge sheet, fine.
ಸರ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್.
Lord's, complaint is filed.
ನಾಯಕ್ 1 minute.
Please.
ಏನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಥಾರಿಟಿ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ?
Board is the competent authority.
Who has granted sanction?
The HRS, HR. One more, please.
Let me see, you remind me on first, yes. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ. Yes, sorry, sir.
Is there for framing charges?
Warrant.
For HBC, madam, framing charges.
The concerned court shall defer its act of framing of charges till the next date of hearing. ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು? 55, yes. Yes,
Lord's,
Ravi Shankar,
the
sir.
petitioner is an advocate who appeared for the bank before the DRT.
and crime is registered
And,
against him.
and the crime is registered against him.
As usual.
Lords, now, what I found, my lord says, this complainant is the person
Ah.
who is in the habit of filing complaints against every single person who has appeared against him, including lawyers and including the police officers
ಅದು ಫೈನಲ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆದ್ರೆ we can ask the police station to be wary of this man.
Yes,
Interim order ಅಲ್ವಾ?
your lordships may pass an interim order, my lords,
That
and
I will
thereafter,
do.
yes.
Otherwise, we will direct the
Yes, my
DG
lord.
and IG to be wary of this person when he registers the crime. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ preliminary enquiry ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. Heard the learned senior counsel, D.R. Ravishankar appearing for the petitioner. The learned senior counsel submits that the second respondent complainant is a habitual complainant registering complaints against every advocate who represents the bank in Bankala.
Lords,
Represents-
represents against him.
Represents against him, and he has registered several crimes on several people. The present is the latest. For offenses punishable under ಏನಿದು metal closures. ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಒಂದು ನೋಡಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ.
ಇವರು ಬಹಳ
DRT.
notorious ಇವರು.
TR team.
I said one more.
Presiding officer ಮೇಲೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು.
ಹೌದು ಸೇಮ್.
ಅವ್ರೇನೆ.
Same case.
Metal
ದಟ್
closures.
ಗೌರಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು
ಹೌದು.
ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್.
ಅವ್ರ
ಗೌರಮ್ಮ ಇದೆ.
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಹರಿದೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಲಾಯರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್.
The gist of the complaint is that certain records in the record in the custody of the court are torn or missing, and for the reason the complaint is registered against the advocate who appears against the complainant. In that light, there shall be an interim order of stay of all investigation in crime number 215 of 2024 till the disposal of the petition.
ಗ್ರೇಟ್.
Admit ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ.
ಬೇಡ ಇರ್ಲಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅದು ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು.
ಆಯ್ತು.
Petition.
MMDR matters.
ಏನ್ MMDR?
MMDR. Last time they
Interim order ಇದೆಯಾ?
interim order.
Lest after vacation, interim order subsisting shall continue to the next date of hearing.
Petitioner, my lord, the wife has issued notice seeking divorce, my lord. I said there is no requirement of divorce. My reply notice may kindly be seen, my lord. I have stated we can continue the marriage. There is no.
You can continue the marriage.
ಅದೇ continue
ಜೊತೆಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಇದೆ.
ಮತ್ತೆ?
That is thereafter she has filed the complaint, my lord. Her grievance in the main grievance in the complaint is that ನಾನು ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ಅವರು ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು, ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. Lordship may kindly see my chats wherein it clearly shows several times I called her. ಬನ್ನಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿ, at least pick my
ಬನ್ನಿ
call.
ಮಾತಾಡಿ.
Yes,
ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ?
at least pick my call. Your lordship may kindly see
Please
that.
pick my call.
Yes, lordship may kindly see that one. My lord, she
ಅಲ್ಲ
does
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ
not
ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ,
matter.
ಬೇರೆ ಏನೇನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
Yeah, and there is violation of Rajesh Sharma case, my lord, wherein Honorable Apex Court, my lord, has held whenever case is filed pertaining to family dispute, my lord, they should refer it to the mediation center. Thereafter, they should provide an opportunity, and thereafter they should register a FIR. That has been violated.
ಏನ್
my lord.
ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಹೇಳಿ?
Lordship, ಕಾಂಪ್ರಮೈಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಇವಾಗ ಕರೆದ್ರು ಕಾಂಪ್ರಮೈಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. Unnecessarily they have filed charge.
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Charge sheet ಆಗಿದೆ.
Charge sheet challenge ಮಾಡಿ.
Charge sheet ಅನ್ನೇ
ಅಲ್ಲ
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
charge sheet only,
ಹಾ.
my lord, my submission is that, my lord, both of them are admittedly working in Hyderabad. Purposefully, she has filed the petition in Hossanagar, my lord.
Warrants ಅನ್ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಷ್ಟು ಇದು.
ಆಯ್ತು, ನೀವು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಬ್ರು ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ. Why you want this crime?
That's my
You will be all right if you are without this crime.
I have filed restitution of conjugal rights petition also, my lord.
ಅದು ನೀವು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಬಿಡಿ.
Yes. My lord, stay may be.
Interim order ಇದೆ already.
Yes, less the matter after vacation, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings in CC so and so till the next date of hearing.
Much
Warrant
obliged.
ಮಾತ್ರ stay ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, my lord. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಸನಗರ, ಹೈದರಾಬಾದ್ ಇಂದ ಹೊಸನಗರ ಬರ್ಬೋದು.
ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ?
ಹೊಸನಗರ, matter is pending in ಹೊಸನಗರ್, my lord.
All right, yes.
Deeply obliged.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಗ್ರೇವ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಖಂಡಿತ ಮಾಡು. ಏನಿದೆ ಮಾಡಿ.
My instructions are, my lord, sir, is likely to leave the country, my lord, sir, and is, my lord, sir.
ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ಇಂದನಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ.
He is likely to leave, my lord, the country on, my lord, sir, on-site visit. That is
No,
the
so
case, my
what?
lord, sir. Then again, my lord, he will not come back. Though he
He
claims
is
that.
permanent
I won't
resident
give,
of
his
Mangalore, my
conduct
lord.
says otherwise.
He is a permanent resident.
Any
His
allegation?
father is a-
ಗ್ರೇವ್ ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. There is no grave allegation.
ಮಕ್ಕಳಾಗಿಲ್ಲ
ಏನ್
ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ
ಮಕ್ಕಳಾಗ, that is the-
ಹಿರಿಯರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇವಳಿಗೆ
ಹೊಡೆದು ಬಡ್ದು ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. Kindly see page 20. Page 20 of the petition. Husband ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು, ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ.
ಏನ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಬೇಡ, immediately after vacation, ವಾರೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ.
My lord, I will make understand taking that if I want to go abroad, I will take permission.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಅಬ್ರಾಡ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಟೇಕ್ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್, even now you can take permission. But warrant of any kind I have stayed.
My lord,
Yes.
appearance also, my lord. What
List on,
happens?
list
My
on
lord,
20.
appearance may also be stayed.
22nd October.
Otherwise, it may be referred to mediation
22nd
in,
October.
my lord, was
Deferred to
proceedings.
mediation.
ಮಾತೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗು ಅಲ್ಲಿ
Yes,
ಇದು
it may be.
substitution
Ill-
ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
The pendency of this petition will not come in the way of the parties exploring possibilities of resolution of a dispute by way of a settlement by appearance before the mediation center at Mangalore, Mangalore.
My lord,
ಇನ್ನು
the
MC
proceedings.
petition.
Yeah, MC petition, my lord,
In MC petition,
number 374/24.
374
/24, my lord.
bar 24.
My lord, proceedings, my lord, otherwise you have to travel from
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
Hyderabad to Senagra. He has to
ಇದ್ರ-
take-
ಇಲ್ಲ, ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬನ್ನಿ.
My
Yes, next.
my lord, there is no allegation. Your lordship.
No, 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 no. If
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು-
I thought, yes,
And
there are
allegation-
allegations. Yes.
59.
Petitioner belongs. Respondent votes. 59 bar 2.
Challenging the first matter, my lords, there is one more petition which is not tagged along.
ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ?
Please,
Immediately after vacation. Yes.
there is one more matter.
List on 22nd October. Heard so and so ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿ. 22nd October, entry order subsisting in any of these cases shall continue till the next date of hearing. Next.
One more matter, my lords, that may be tagged along.
ಅದಾವತ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Yes. 60 ಅದು ಮಂಡೇ ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು.
61.
IPR for this.
But this is a case where, my lord, registration, not registered sale deed is executed. There is no allegation against, my lord, against the purchaser. The only
But-
allegation, not in the complaint.
Sub-registrar.
Private person, my lord. Private person.
Son, my lord.
No, my lord. Private person.
No, no, sub-registrar son is.
Kindly see, my lord.
Your sub-registrar ಸಣ್ಣ ಇವರು.
Son, petition number 2 is.
That
the son of the-
sub-registrar, that sub-registrar is somewhere, my lord, not here.
It's all right.
My lord,
Again,
kindly see the
offense.
allegation sir, in the complaint.
Hmm.
Allegation says, my lord,
My lord, I
the
filed
owners have
objections.
created
One
a document
I filed
according to
objection
them.
and Documents, my lord.
ಇಬ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ.
Stop, my lord.
Senior counsel is saying something, wait sir.
Yes.
Owners have created the document and sold this property to, my lord, purchasers.
ಇವ್ರು
Right.
ಯಾರು sir?
Your purchaser. Kindly see the complaint page 48, my lord.
You are the purchase, 11, 12 and 13.
How, 11, 12, and 13.
All right.
Allegation, my lord, complaint is, my lord,
ನೀವು sub-registrar ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ.
ಯಾರು
ಅವ್ರ
who is
ಅಪ್ಪ
sub-registrar son here?
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇವರು ಎರಡನೇ ಅವರು. My lord, his name is,
Which sub-registrar?
but he is,
Is the same sub-registrar who registered it?
no, my lord.
Yes, my lord, yes, my lord.
Ah.
Same sub-registrar.
Where is the
Ganganagar, my lord.
ಅಲ್ಲ.
Ganganagar, Bengaluru.
ಅಲ್ಲ.
complaint ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. Kindly see, my lord, complaint page 48.
FIR ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ sir?
FIR is, my lord, page 49. 420, 417, 468. Kindly see, my lord, their name appears at page 51, Karthik, Sukrit Ayush, and Vinod Kumar. These are three petitioners, my lord, approach this court, my lord. Who are the?
He is not an accused. Sub-registrar is not an accused.
No, my lord.
No, he's not the accused.
But he has not registered, my lord. Some other sub-registrar is registered. But he
But
cannot
you are
just-
the son of the sub-registrar.
Yes, my lord.
I agree, my lord. One of them
You
is
are the one of the purchaser.
one of the purchase.
Yes.
I agree. I fully agree. That I.
Again, what is the allegation?
But allegation is, my lord, owners have created document, sold it to us. That is the allegation. Kindly see.
Yes.
That is.
That's all the allegation.
File your objections. Heard.
I already
is
filed,
filed.
I already filed objection.
Already filed.
Already.
I only filed
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
objection.
Copy
Put up
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಾನು submission
Just
ಹಾಕ್ ಬಂದೆ.
registry to put up the objections said to have been filed by the respondent. Heard the learned
Documents
senior
and
counsel
ವಕಾಲತ್
ಮಾಡಿ.
My
List the
ವಕಾಲತ್.
matter on, list the matter on ಪುಟಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಆಯ್ತು.
Put up ಆಗಿದೆ.
ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಖಂಡಿತ ಮಾಡೋಣ. That also. ನಾನು ಓದ್ದೆ ಅದನ್ನ. ಇವ್ರ ಸೇಲ್ ಡೀಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಟರ್ನಿ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು why did the second petition purchase the property?
ಖಂಡಿಸಿದ. ಇವನ್ ಈಸಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಈಸಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ನಾಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್.
What is he? Student.
ಯಾರು?
Second petitioner.
But he is completed the education, but
He's not
he is appearing, my lord, village account examination by day after tomorrow.
Oh.
Kind he is easy also. Easy.
Tomorrow
Reflect ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ sale.
bail matter posted before the.
Bail is different, my lord.
Bail is different. Secure bail and comes.
ಅಲ್ಲ my lord, kindly appreciate it. Kindly stay there. My lord, this.
Oh no.
Kindly, but because kindly is allegation.
Your father has identified this property.
No,
got
no,
it registered in your son's
ಇಲ್ಲ.
in his son's name.
Kindly is the registration ಸೇಲ್ ಡೀಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್.
No.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ಸಾಬ್ ಸೇಲ್ ನೋಡಿ.
Yes sir.
ಸೇಲ್ ಡೀಡ್ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು.
Sessions court already rejected the bail matter.
ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತು.
ಖಂಡಿಸಿದ. Who has
Approached this honorable court.
My
Tomorrow
lord will
posted
find-
the bail matter before the court.
My lord will find that sale deed annexure, Lord, page 22. No, but he has not registered.
Huh?
He has not registered. His father has not registered. No. It is incorrect.
Whose father?
According to them, my lord,
Hmm.
Sukret Ayush father, who is the son of a sub-registrar, not registered. No, it is has not registered. ಖಂಡಿತ ಸೇಲ್ ಡಿಡ್
ಇಲ್ಲ,
ಪೇಜ್
ಅದು
25.
ಬೇರೆ, ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತು.
ಇವ್ರು ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಇವ್ರು ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೌದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಖಂಡಿತ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಎಲಿಗೇಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ತಾವು ಒಮ್ಮೆ
You secure bail and comes.
What?
Secure bail and come.
ನೋಡ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೇ ಫಾರ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಪೇಜ್ 48 ತಾವು ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಎಲಿಗೇಷನ್ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಇದೆ ಪೇಜ್ 48 ನೋಡಿ. ಮೇಲೆ ಹಿಡಿದ ಚೌರಪ್ಪ ಮಾರ್ಟಿನ್ ಅವ್ರ ಮಗ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಅವರಿಬ್ಬರ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಫ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಸ್ ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ ಸರ್ವೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಉಳಿದ ನನ್ನ 3.75 ಗುಂಟೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಸರೋಜಮ್ಮನಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರಿದ 3008 ಜಾಗದ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾರ್ಟಿನ್ ಮಗ ಜೋಸೆಫ್ ಕುಮಾರ್, ಆತನ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಸಗಾಯಿ ಮೇರಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಾದ ದಿವ್ಯಾ, ಪ್ರಿಯಾ, ಪ್ರದೀಪ್ ಮತ್ತು ಜೋಸೆಫ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಹೆಂಡತಿಯಾದ ಮುಸ್ತಾ ಮೇರಿ, ಹೋಮ್ ಲೇಟ್ಸೋ ಫ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಸ್ ಸಾಕೆಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳಾದ ಆನಂದ ಪ್ರಸಾದ್, ಅನಿತಾ ಜೋಶ್, ಜೋಸೆಫ್
What is the date of the sale deed?
23
28/7/23.
23 24 ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್. 1724 ಇಸ್ ಬರಾಡ್ FIR. 1724.
ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್. ಅವ್ರು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿರೋದು ಅವಾಗ.
ಆಯ್ತು. ನಾಟ್ ಖಂಡಿತ ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಓದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ ಮೋಸ ಮಾಡುವ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಅವರು ವಿನೋದ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡು ನಮಗೆ ಮೋಸ ಮಾಡುವ ಸಮಾನ ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಸುಳ್ಳು ದಾಖಲೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ದಿನಾಂಕ 28/7/20 ಗಂಗಾನಗರ ಸಬ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರಾರ್ ಕಚೇರಿ ವ್ಯಾಪ್ತಿಗೆ ಒಳಪಡುವ ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತ ಇಲ್ಲದ 50 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಫೀಟ್ ಜಾಗವನ್ನು ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವ ನೆಪದಲ್ಲಿ ದಾಸರಳ್ಳಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ ಸರೋಜಾ ಅವರು ಸೇರಿದ ಜಾಗವನ್ನು ಸೇರಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಚೌಡಪ್ಪನವರ ಮೊಮ್ಮಗ ಹಾಗೂ ದಿವಂಗತ ಮೊಮ್ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡು ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್, ಸುಕೃತ್, ಆಯುಷ್, ವಿನೋದ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡರು. They are purchasers. There is an allegation that we have created. No, my lord.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. Beneficiary.
Not to proceed the matter till because
No.
ಅಲ್ಲ day after tomorrow exam.
ನಾಳೆ ಬೇಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ತಾವು ಒಮ್ಮೆ ನೋಡಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ.
ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರ್ ಬೇಲ್
ಕೊಡಿ. ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಈ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ನೋಡಿ. ಅಲ್ಲೂ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ECL ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ತಾವು ಖಂಡಿಸಿ ನೋಡಿ.
ಏನ್ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸೇಲ್ ಡೀಡ್ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವರು 92 ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬೇಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕೊಡಿ ನಾಳೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ದಟ್ ಐ ಅಗ್ರಿ ವಿತ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್
You secure bail and come, then we'll see. I'll take it on 15th.
Not
on 15th.
Lord, kindly call it, Lord, at least on Lord,
first
30th.
30th ಇಲ್ಲ, first.
Bail
ಯಾವತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
Bail ನಾಳೆನೇ ಇದೆ. ನಾಳೆ
that is entirety, very entirety.
List on first.
If your lordship
First in the fresh matters.
30th
First in the fresh matters.
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಡೇ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ತಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು.
ಇಲ್ಲ ತೊಂದ್ರೆ
30th ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ.
30th ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 300 or 400. ಎಸ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಎಲಿಗೇಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ ನಮ್ಮ
ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಎಸ್. ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರ್ ಬೇಲ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಇಟ್.
1ನೇ ತಾರೀಕಿಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಇದೆ ನಾಡ್ದು.
ಬೇಲ್ ನಾಳೆ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ.
ತಾವು ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಟಿಲ್ ಡೇ ಆಫ್ಟರ್
ಪೇಟ್ರಿ ಬೇಲ್
ತಾವು ಟಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇಟ್ Allegation, I can, 420 will attract, 417 will not be attracted, 468 will not be
We'll
attracted.
see, we'll see. Yes.
Purchaser, vendors ಮೇಲೆ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, but not the purchaser.
No, 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 sir.
ಅವ್ರ ಅಪ್ಪನೇ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ.
ಬೇಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬನ್ನಿ ಸರ್. ಬೇಲ್ ಕೊಡಲ್ವಾ?
ನಾವು ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ
Bail
ಎಲಿಗೇಷನ್ ಇದು ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ತಾವು ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಎಲಿಗೇಷನ್ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ.
No, no, no.
ಪರ್ಚೇಸರ್ ವೆಂಡರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಹೊರತು ಪರ್ಚೇಸರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಖಂಡಿತ
We'll
ಇಲ್ಲ.
see, we'll see, sir. Yes. 120B ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ. We'll see. Yes.
ಬಟ್ 34 ಇದೆ.
34 ಇರುತ್ತೆ, but not a
34
substantive
ಇದೆ.
offense at all. Yes, next.
Stated decision Supreme Court blood, my lord knows blood. It is a civil transaction blood. Normally it cannot be termed as blood.
ನೀವು ಬೇಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬನ್ನಿ, ವಿಲ್ ಗ್ರಾಂಟ್. ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಎಸ್. ನೋಡಿ.
But in the fresh list blood.
ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್, ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್.
30 more matters, fresh matters, 6 for 1, Raveen C.
ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಟ್ರಾಸಿಟೀಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್? ಪ್ರವೀಣ್, ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಹಿ? ಇದು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಕಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರದ್ದು. ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರು ಸ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಾ?
He's the only petitioner before.
ಅಟ್ರಾಸಿಟೀಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ?
There is no averment made anything against.
Where is the complaint?
Lord, the complaint is produced at page 7, my lord. 11, my lord. My lord, the petitioner is an advocate who represented the original landowner.
Against the complainant.
Please,
In what proceeding?
in RRT proceedings, my lord.
The petitioner is an advocate who represents the
Original landlord.
original landowner against the complainant in the RRT proceedings before the Tahsildar.
Tahsildar Birur.
Before the Tahsildar,
Birur.
Birur. And the order goes against the complainant. As a counterblast to what the, as a counterblast to the said action of the petitioner representing the complainant, representing the party who has succeeded before the Tahsildar in the RRT proceedings against the complainant, the present complaint is registered alleging offense punishable under the Atrocities Act. In the light of the aforesaid circumstance and the petitioner being a counsel who represented the represented whom other?
Original landlord.
Or represented the original landowner, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings, further investigation, quay the petitioner till the next date of hearing. Next.
Please, my lord.
Adit.
Number 2,
The multi-state cooperative society is not made a party, my lords.
Section 22 another.
Please, my lords, section
Yes.
22, and also in a similar matter, your lordship had stayed on the ground that multi-state cooperative society does not come under the purview of the KPID Act.
Correct. ಧಾರವಾಡದಿರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ?
Yes, my lords, and here also, my lords, in the year
Really?
2022. The same accused, my lords.
Same accused.
Same accused. There it was crime.
Heard the learned counsel Adit Chandan Gowder appearing for the petitioner. The learned counsel would submit that a multi-state cooperative society would not come within the ambit of the Karnataka protection of interest of depositors in KPID, intermodal, and would seek to place reliance upon an interim order granted on 23/5/2022. The said interim is pending ಇದೆ ಇನ್ನು?
Please, my lords.
The said interim order reads as follows. In the light of tag ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡ ಹಂಗಾರೆ.
Please, my lord.
In the light of the interim orders of granted quay the same petitioner on the same ground, there shall be an interim order of stay in the case at hand as well. Tag this petition along with criminal petition 3781 of 2022.
Okay.
Yes. 1 HCGP, 2 emergent notice. 2 ಅಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟು ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ emergent notice. Next.
number 3, Girish Kumar.
Lord, proclamation order against
Same
advocate. and-
yesterday.
Yesterday,
Number
ಅದೇ.
ಕೊಡಿ.
I'll provide it. And serial number 5
5
also
also
same.
same. Number ಕೊಡಿ.
Please.
Yes. ಎರಡು ಸ್ಟೇ ನೆನ್ನೆದ ಅದು? ನೆನ್ನೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಜೊತೆಗೆ.
Please, ಈಗಲೇ ಕೊಡಿ.
ತರ್ಬೇಕು ತಾನೇ ಅದು?
Sorry.
ಎಸ್.
This
Next.
stay.
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. 4 withdrawal. Memo is in terms of the memo. Next.
Seal number 6.
Vivek,
Let's appear for the petitioner.
Respondent, serial number 10 also same. It's a family matter has been settled between the parties.
settled,
That will be.
10.
offense,
Offense ಒಂದರಲ್ಲಿ
Let's in
Then
this
take up
petition, my
from-
lords, it's 448, 504, 506 and 323.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ
Filing an
Settlement memorandum. ಕೊಡಿ.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ
Yes.
119 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ 307 ಇದೆ 119 ಒಂದರಲ್ಲಿ 119 ಅಲ್ಲಿ kindly
And with respect to the petition.
under section 324, 307, 498A, 506, 354A and 354B run. You kindly see on page number 2, it's a mediation settlement,
307 ಇದೆ? ಏನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್?
family members.
ಏನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್?
The
The husband's
petitioner
family
is
and
the-
the wife's
Huh?
family, husband's family and the wife's family, my lords. I may be permitted to file wakalat in 2218 and 2219 for the.
Senate
complaint.
Council ಬರ್ಕೊಡಿ ಯಾವ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ.
Yes, my lord.
ಇದು application seeking compounding. You extract that. Flag ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ.
2219.
The petitioners, members of, the petitioner and the complainants are relatives. They are in a squabble, they were in a squabble which has resulted in registration of crime in crime number 5 of 2024 for several offenses. And in crime number? 5
57.
ಅಲ್ಲೇನಾ?
Crime number 57, my lords.
And crime number 57 of 2024. During the subsistence of the investigation, the parties have settled the dispute and filed an application seeking compounding of the offense under section 320 of the CRPC. 320 ಅಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು, BNSS
Yes, ma'am.
of the CRPC, ಅದು BNSS corresponding ಹಾಕಿ ಮಾಡಿ. So and so. Though the offenses alleged are the ones punishable under section 307 of the IPC inter alia, I deem it appropriate to accept our application seeking compounding and close the proceedings against these petitioners on the ground that the allegations are between the members of the family of the husband and the wife. In that light, husband and the wife, the settlement, terms of settlement reads as follows. ಎಲ್ಲಿ MCL ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
Yes, my
MCL
lords, MCL.
ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ. The terms of settlement drawn before the family court in MC 5618 of 2024 reads as follows. Okay. Disposed cost.
Both
Yes.
para been incorporated. Para number 4 also.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೇನೆ. Yes.
Obliged.
Lord, make one submission in 2218, my lord. This is second petitioner is not the family member. 2218.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾರು?
Our staff, office staff ಮೇಲೆ she lodged the complaint.
Family members and others ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿರಿ. We'll see. Yes, next.
Obliged.
7.
Seal number 8.
7 ಆಯ್ತಾ? Withdrawal in terms of memo.
Memo, I'm filing the memo now.
7 in terms of memo. Next.
Number 8.
Not offense between December 2011 to April 2012. The petitioner was the additional chief secretary then, was now retired.
ಯಾವುದು ನಾನು
Serial 51, serial 51. List 1, serial 51 not listed today. The petitioner comes to the post on 6/8/2021 after lapse of nearly 10 years, 9 years.
Yes. Heard the learned senior counsel P. Prasanna Kumar appearing for the petition. 1 HCGP 2 emergent notice. There shall be an interim order of stay of further investigation by the petitioner to the next date of hearing on the score that the incident of 2011 is
11
not-
and between December 2011 to April 2012.
he was there in that post.
No, he came on 6/8/2021,
The incident that has happened between December 2011 and
April 2012.
April 2012 is now made a subject matter of crime in PCR 621 of 2024. The learned counsel submits that the petitioner has come into the post only on
6/8/2021.
6/8/2021 and has now retired from services even. Therefore, there's ಅಂತ ಸಾಕು, therefore ಬೇಡ, ಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. Sounds. 1
Please.
to emergent notice. Next.
Number 9. Vinash P.
My lord, this is a second crime number registered, my lords, after the first crime number.
Which is the first crime, sir?
At annexure G, my lords, page number
That is
40. my
stayed.
lords. Stayed, my lord. Please, my lords. Anexa H I have produced.
The counsel for the petitioner takes, the petitioner is before this court calling in question zones. The counsel for the petitioner takes this court through the documents appended to the petition to demonstrate that the subject crime is second in line. The first having been stayed by this court results in registration of a fresh crime. In that light, there shall be an interim order of stay of the subject crime. A petition yavdu? Stay agiradu.
Petition, my lords,
Tag this petition along with
Please.
so and so.
WP 186.
One additional birth Kodi.
20, yes,
But
please, my lord.
One
Please, my
additional
lord.
SPP, two emergent notice.
Great.
Yes, 10 ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದೀಗ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ yes.
2:30
Settlement.
2:30 list, we had moved in the morning, it's not.
Which one?
On SCST matter, your lordship.
My lords,
CST matter.
We had moved it to.
Not
my lord, serial number, my lord, serial number 116, my lords. 116.
Settlement. My lord, serial number one.
My lord, serial number 116.
Settlement. Settlement I will call, wait.
My lord, serial
Settlement,
number,
let's see if it comes by then.
my lord, serial number 116, my lords.
1 minute, settlement ಮಾತ್ರ ಕರೀರಿ.
144.
110.
120, 123 ಯಾವ್ದು ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆಯಾ? wait. First reporting settlement ಕರೀರಿ.
Reporting settlement 144.
Lord, 144, I for the petitioner. The 150 also same connected petition, my lord. 144 and 150
Respondent here. Madam is there. Hushar.
are filing the.
Learned counsel so and so undertakes to enter appearance for the respondent.
Serial number 150.
150.
150 and 154, 144.
140.
Same
ಏನು
connected,
offense ಏನು?
498 in.
All right. ಕೊಡಿಯದು. ಒಂದೇ ಪೇಜ್.
Obliged.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ, partition.
ವೇಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ಸ್ ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ.
Obliged.
ಈಗ ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಲಾ? ನಿಮ್ ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ವೇಟ್, ಎಸ್.
145. 145.
ರೋಷನ್, offense.
498.
Give it. Respondent,
Present.
advocate, ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಇದ್ದಾರಾ?
ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, partition ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ನಿಮ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇದ್ದಾರಾ?
ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು
ಕೊಡಿ.
ಶಿವಮೂರ್ತಿ.
ಎಸ್, ವಿವೇಕ್. ಎಲ್ಲ 14 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ದಸರಾ ಪ್ರಯುಕ್ತ. ಎಸ್.
Order sheet signature, sir.
152.
146.
Petitioner, my lord.
Respondent number 2.
I'm filing joint affidavit. Parties are ready to settle this.
Offense.
143, 147, 504, 506, so 5 pieces.
Respondent,
I'm affirming to respondent number.
Parties are present.
Already filed. Registered.
Name.
ವಕಾಲತ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ? 146 ಇದು.
146, my lord.
Learned counsel so and so submits that he has entered appearance for the respondent. Registry to print the name of so and so is appearing for the respondent. Oh, ಏನ್ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಫಿಡವಿಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಟ್ ಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು? ಅದು ಯಾವುದು ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಡಿ.
Along with 482 application, my lord.
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ. Only para 6. Para 6 and 7. Yes. Offenses ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಬೇವಿಗೆ. Offenses ನೋಡಿ 498 ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾಟ್ ಅಗೇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಮೂಲಿ ಪ್ರೋಟೋಕಾಲ್.
147.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಮಂಡೇ. ಎಸ್. Entry model continues. Yes, next.
48.
148.1, my lord. 148.1.
Settlement.
No, it's a settlement because they filed an affidavit not saying we were not involved in the commission of the offense.
148.1 I have respondent number 2.
Is it settled?
It is settled, my lord. After that, they filed an affidavit. Of course, we didn't do a compromise in that sense.
Counter affidavit we are filing.
They filed a counter affidavit saying.
For the settlement?
No, not settlement, but they've confirmed that we had no role to play in the.
ಆಯ್ತು ಅದೇನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಕೊಡಿ ಅದನ್ನು.
ನಾವು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರೇ ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. We didn't want to.
148 to be detagged because.
148 to be detagged.
148 my lord, is by the person who's supposed to have committed the offense.
So settlement is only in 148.1.
Para 3, my lord. The affidavit.
148.1 Matra settled. D-link 148, 148.1 settled. 148 to list the matter after vacation.
Great.
Yes. Next. 149.
My lords, in 149, serial number 149 and 88 are connected.
88.
88,
All
but
right.
respondent is not willing to close the case in 149.
Offense ಏನು?
498, 420 and 417. My lords, the
Settlement settle ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
settle agide, the marriage between the respondent in serial number 88. The marriage between the respondent.
Where is the settlement happened?
In page 119 and next should be, my lords.
1.
For respondent number 2, my lord.
1 minute. Respondent ಯಾರು?
Respondent.
Settle ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
In 88, we have settled the matter.
My lords, in
Serial number 88, we will settle the matter.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್?
Lord, he has not appeared before the mediation center.
my lords, why should he
ಈಗ settle ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ?
With Jyoti, we have settled, my lord.
With Jyoti. Who is Jyoti?
Yes, the marriage is dissolved between respondent and the petitioner. And in 149, the petitioner has no role to play at all. Even if the case continues, it will not serve any purpose.
No, we'll stay the matter because they're
Not
not
sought. My
cooperating.
lords, kindly have it on Monday. I'll file necessary application.
You will file an application. ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ
88 ಅಲ್ಲಿ we'll settle the matter now, my lords.
88 close ಮಾಡೋದು.
Close ಮಾಡಿ.
Wait, it ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು I'll come back to 88. Then we'll post this on Monday. This on
88 will be done today.
88 will close. This
49.
149 Monday in the fresh matters.
Please.
Yes. Next. 150. 88 wait ಮಾಡಿ. Wait, yes.
151.
Imtiaz.
Appearing for the petitioner,
Offense.
your lordship. Offense under section 504, 323, 324, 506 and 34, your lordship.
Good, yes.
Matter has been settled by filing the joint.
Madam,
affidavit.
ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲೂ additional SPP, HCGP.
And parties are surprised.
ತೋರಿಸ್ಬಿಡು. HCGP ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬಿಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲೂ ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೇಸಸ್. ಆಲ್ ತೇಜೇಶ್ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ, ಸೌಮ್ಯ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು. ಎಸ್. Motor vehicle.
Motor vehicle.
Yes. Death ಏನಲ್ಲ?
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ sir.
Injury. Yes.
Obliged, your lordship.
Gaurav?
152.
Lord, 498 and 307.
Settle ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಆಗಿದೆ. I filed an affidavit of the respondent number 2 along with the petition, my lord. Giving
Husband
no
and wife.
objection. Husband and wife. They are now cohabiting. They are living together.
Where are they?
Lord, they are not present today. They are on VC. They live in Mumbai, my lord.
Monday?
I filed an affidavit, my lord.
Monday. Where are they?
They live in Mumbai. I filed an affidavit
they-
and an order sheet.
Are
as
they
well.
here?
Please, my lord, over VC they are present.
Ignish. Where is the affidavit?
Lord, at page 107, my lord, annexure D.
Since they are living together, we'll close it.
Please.
For 307, 490. Husband and
I
wife.
filed an application under 320 as well.
You-
10 for staying.
88 ಯಾರೋ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ?
Lord, the name of the respondent counsel may be.
That will become. Yes. Respondents counsel so and so.
Not 88, the petition.
88
For the
settlement,
petition.
give that. Offense? What's the
49
offense?
498, 417,
Page,
420,
where's the settlement?
119, annexure B.
119.
Para 5, my lord.
Yes. Finished. They disposed first. Then flag article.
Great.
Settlement. Rolling. Offense ಏನು? Boxo ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಡಿ.
ಹೋಗ್ಸೋ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಹಾ.
376.
376. Promise of marriage. I told you come on merits. Don't.
This matter, my lord, if it is come on merit, my lord, ಇಬ್ರು ಸೆಟಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈಗ 376 ಮತ್ತೆ 417 ಈ by going through the amendments of the complaint, it is not attract the offenses ಅಂತ ಬಂದ್ರೆ
ಅದನ್ನ settlement ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ.
ಅದ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ
376 I will not settle, sir. If you want to come on merits, you come. It's breach of promise of marriage, we'll answer it on merits. I will not close it by way of a settlement.
there is some-
It's a question of rape. I will not close it by way of settlement.
It will not attack the section 4.
That is on merits, sir. How can I say in the settlement?
Merit ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ
ಹಾ.
ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋದು ನಿಜ ಅಂತ ಆಗಿ
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆರಿಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕ್ವಾಶ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ನಿಜ ಅಂತ ಆಗತ್ತಾ?
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಮೆಮೋ ಆಗ್ತಿರೋದು we are amicably settled the issue.
Amicably ಆಗಲ್ಲ sir.
Allegation against each.
No, I will not settle a rape case like
My
that.
lord, it is allegation of the
Maybe, sir, you come on merits. If it is 376 and 417, it is promise of marriage, breach of promise of marriage. ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ relationship?
3 years.
3 years. We'll close it on merits, but not on
my lord,
settlement.
tomorrow or Monday, my lord, the date may.
ಯಾವತ್ ಬೇಕು? First ಹಾಕ್ಲಾ?
First, please.
October 1st.
Release. In fresh
Entry
matter,
ಮಾಡ್ರ ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ.
ಇರೋದೇ fresh matter. Yes. List
ಇಲ್ಲ,
of first.
further argue.
Basket of hearing also, my lord. This Anmapot has directed to list on the
ಫರ್ದರ್ ಹಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಾವ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ, ಬಟ್ ಫರ್ದರ್ ಹಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಇವಾಗ.
List on first in the fresh matters list.
ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ರ ಕಲಿಬೇಕು ಸರ್.
Intermodal subsisting shall continue to the next date of hearing.
Oblige.
Serial number 110, my lord, and 16, my lord.
Now other matters, yes, all after vacation.
My lords, 97. My lords,
89.
my lords, 90.
My lord, 116 coming.
110 set.
One ನಿಮಿಷ. One minute, sir.
97.
One minute. First time ಬರ್ತಿರೋ matters admission ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು?
97.
Settlement ಎರಡಿದ್ಯಾ? ಇನ್ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ?
123, my lords.
1 minute, sir. Settlement ಕೊಡಿ.
110.
Offense ಏನು?
Blood, 307 blood. ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ land dispute blood, they have executed blood, the confirmation deeds.
After vacation.
Blood, they have executed confirmation blood. For a moment blood, the
After
confirmation
vacation, sir.
deeds blood.
Yes.
Blood, it's a family.
123 ಏನು? We offense. ಕೊಡಿ, where is the settlement? List on Monday at 2:30 PM to report settlement.
Joint affidavit.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಟ್ಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ? ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ settlement? That's why we'll take it on Monday. If it is not released till then, we'll close it. Yes.
Sorry for interruption blood. 110 blood, case and counter.
No,
case,
sir, I will not.
Case and counter
No,
case.
maybe
are there, blood.
anything, sir.
They have executed a confirmation date.
No,
blood.
sir.
Kindly
307
look at for.
307 on strangers.
Blood in
not-
ಎರಡು ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಂಜರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್.
ಬೇಡ sir.
ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಯೂಟ್ ಬ್ಲಾಡ್. ತಾವು ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ ನೋಡಿ.
You come on merits, not on the settlement. No, sir, I will not. Yes.
Blood.
Husband and wife, family
my lord.
members is a different thing.
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಕ್ಲೈಮ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಹಾಕಿರುವಂತದ್ದು.
Sir, period. I'm not settling it. You come on merits. Yes.
My lords, 97.
1 minute. ಒಂದ್ ಸರ್ತಿನೂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಮುಂದ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ದೇ ಇರೋ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಯಾವ
90
admission ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದೆ?
97, my lords. 97.
1 minute. 96 ಏನಿದೆ? Second list ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೀನಿ. That's non compliance of office objection.
charge sheet put in on that. Entire head of charge sheet has received from the trial court has filed. Even in the earlier case also I filed the same charge sheet.
ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ಸ್ತೀರಾ ಮೇಡಮ್? ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ No, you call up the orders, madam. ಮಧ್ಯ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಸರಿ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. Wait. Yes. Wait, sir. 62 ಇಂದ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Order 62.
Post after vacation. Yes. List after vacation. Post immediately after service of notice upon the second respondent. 2 weeks to do the needful.
66, I am, Lordship, may kindly vacate the,
List after vacation. Yes, next.
so kindly give the date, my lordship, kindly.
List on 24th. Yes.
67.
Am I not calling serial number wise? Atlane urgency? Intermount ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ continue ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Don't even mention. Yes. What is the submission?
What charges is there, my lord?
Office objection ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ madam? Fresh matter ಇದು. Monday fresh matters. Yes, next. ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. Yes, next. ನಿನ್ನೆ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನಾ? Then why don't you comply with the office objections?
Charge sheet has received from the trial court will not be of the.
Oh, it is 376, madam.
My lord, the accused.
No, 1 minute, what? Ashrita. It's POCSO. No, yes, after vacation, yes.
68.
Yes. 68, 2 weeks, interim ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ extend ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, yes. Post immediately after service of notice upon the respondent. Immediately after service of notice. See, immediately after notice. If you mention, I will not extend. Otherwise, they'll get extended. Yes, next. Even door ಇಂದ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? Yes, interim order extended. Yes, sir. Thank you. Yes. ನಾನೇನು ಹೇಳಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. Yes. Post immediate, awaiting service, post immediately after service of notice upon the second respondent, interim ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ continue ಮಾಡಿ. Learned counsel submits needful has been done after vacation. AVIO, next. Post immediately after service of notice upon the respondent, interim ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ continue. Yes, 75, same order, same order, same order. 2 weeks to do the needful. Yes, next.
80.
Same order,
81.
same order.
My lord, 82, it pertain to EC acts, my lord. My lord, I state the matter. Respondent number 2 is a food inspector, my lord.
Additional SPP is directed to accept notice for the second respondent as well.
In both the matters.
List both the matters. Register to print the name of additional SPP as appearing for the second respondent list after vacation. Yes, continues.
Copy of a petitioner, your honor. Stay maybe.
Yes, same,
84. the petitioner.
same.
85.
Extended. Interim order extend ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, don't mention. Yes.
85, my lord, I'm for the petitioner.
Ah.
There's no interim order, my lord.
No interim order. ಅದು extend ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
My lord, this is that Arcanat matter this court remembers. Where A2 and A5 are also arrayed. They're the family members of A1 who is in the complaint. My lord, may kindly take up the complaint. This court had thought that the complainant is a farmer. He's not a farmer, he's a trader. In the complaint also, he mentions the GST also.
No, yes.
No, my lord, I'm just
Immediately
filing
after-
a memo.
Post
because the
immediately
CC
after service of notice upon the respondent. Next.
Well, the CCB has. Yeah, appeal number 5 also, my lord.
Let's see. Yes. Move the vacation bench.
86.
Made a submission that we could not produce the documents pertaining to respondent's address, my lords.
Submission
that-
accepted. Monday fresh matters list.
Much obliged, my lord.
Next.
87.
Post immediately after service of notice.
89.
My lord, petitioner, my lord. My lord, what objection is that we have not, it is not been notarized, my lord. It is in Dubai right now.
Submission accept.
In Dubai right now.
Ah.
So, is there an apprehension that if we go to embassy and get it notarized over there, we might get arrested, my lord. That's the
ಏನು
only.
offense ಏನು?
420, 504 and 506.
Yes.
We have taken on Monday.
Monday in the fresh matters list. Office objection ಹಂಗೆ ಇರ್ಲಿ. Yes, next. Post immediately after service of notice, entry mode Mohan Chandra, 90. Accused guilty. We'll hold him guilty after vacation. Yes. List immediately after vacation.
90. Present, my lord.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವರು ಇನ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರಾ?
You see, my lord, legally.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಹೇಳಿ ಮೇಡಮ್? ಆಯ್ತು, ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಾ ನೀವು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ? ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು? ಸರಿ ಆಯ್ತು. ಲರ್ನೆಡ್ ದಿ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ has appeared in person. ಟೈಮ್ ಬೇಕಾ? ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್ ಎಂಗೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಅಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬೇಕು ಅವಾಗ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ ಹೇಳಿ, ಯಾವತ್ತು ಬೇಕು ಅವತ್ತು. ಆಯ್ತು ಸರಿ. 22 ಅಕ್ಟೋಬರ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. List on 22nd October. The respondent is present in person, would seek time to say, engage the service of a lawyer. List on 22nd October, list on 20. The respondent has appeared in person and would seek assistance from and would submit that she would want assistance from the legal service authority. Therefore, the respondent shall approach the legal service authority who shall assist her. List the matter on 22nd. 22nd October. ಏನು offense ಏನು? ಏನು offense ನೋಡಿ? ಆಯ್ತು, 22ಕ್ಕೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. Yes. Next.
92.
Second time. Needful to be 2 weeks time is granted to do the need. Idida PC Act. Is list on first along with connected cases. Next.
93. My lord, I'm the respondent to party in person in this matter.
When do you want, madam?
In a week's time, I'll comply the office objection and the matter may be kindly dated, Your Honor.
Covered by? Yes. At the request of the learned, the request of the respondent in person, list this matter on 22nd October.
Obliged.
Entry mode idea?
Either so.
Entry mode subsisting shall continue to the next date of hearing. 94, post immediately after service of notice. Same.
96.
Satyanand, ಏನಿದೆ? Office objections overruled. List on Monday in the fresh matters list. ಯಾಕೆ ಮಂಡೇ ಕೊಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಎಸ್, ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಭರತ್ ಮಂಡೇ ಡೇಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್ ಎಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
97 lords.
Maintainability, Bangalore bench.
My lords, FIR is filed in Hubli, my lords.
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋಗಿ.
Cybercrime, my lords. Bank account in Bangalore has been attached, my lords. And the petitioner is from
ಆಗಿರೋದು
Bangalore.
ಯಾವುದು?
My lords, Bangalore bank account, my lords.
Direction is by Hubli.
Hubli, my lords.
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿ.
My lords, this is part of cause of action has arisen. So Supreme Court said on 226(2), my lords.
Office objection, maintainability overruled. Monday fresh matters list. Yes, next. Interrogate ಕರಿಬೇಡಿ. Yes. Admission ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಯಾವ್ದು? ನಿಮಿಷ 103 ಏನ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ? $116 ಗೌರವ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರೋದ? ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದೇ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಮಂಡೇ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ದು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. 1 minute. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬಂದ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ನೀವು ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದೇ ಇರೋದು ಮಂಡೇ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್, ಮಂಡೇ tomorrow ಈಗ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
My lord.
I'm giving you Monday or after vacation ಹಾಕು. Yes. Continuously absent. This court on 10/9/2024 had passed the following order. In the light of the said order, dismissed and non-prosecution. It was
My lord, serial number 120.
103.
With my
Monday,
lord and leave.
Monday fresh matters. ಯಾವ್ದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ which has not appeared, ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲ on Monday fresh matters.
My lords, I may be. My lords, I may be permitted to make a submission.
Serial number
125. My lord, serial number 125.
Serial number 101.
One
Serial
submission
number
with regard to
125,
Dharwad bench,
second
my
list,
lord.
my lords, there's an urgency, my lords. Serial number 125, my lords, ED is proceeded to attach my
If all
assets.
of you be will, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್? I'll just walk away.
Sorry, your lordship.
What can I do?
Apologies, my lord. This matter was filed in August, my lords.
ಏನದು?
Come up before the court even
ಈಗ
ends.
ಮೆಮೊ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಯ್ತು.
My lords,
Is this the time to move the memo?
apologies, my lords. We have
Apologies rejected.
My lords, memo has been moved several times before this on.
But is it the time to move a memo?
My lords, if I move it tomorrow also, my lords, it will not.
No,
be
10th,
accepted. My lords, my
ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 10:30 ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ?
my lords, we have moved it several times, my lords. over
ಇವತ್ತು
10
ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ
times.
10:30 ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ?
My lords, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಇವಾಗ ಹೋಗಿ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಮಂಡೇಗೆ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. My lords, my lord is our only resort. That is why, my lords.
ಅದು ಕೊಡಿ ಮಂಡೇ
My lord,
ಕೊಡಿ.
serial number
ಮಂಡೇ
1.
ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
My lord, serial 125, my lords. Serial number.
Written submission.
In what? 171 ಇದೆಯಾ ಇವತ್ತು? ಫರ್ದರ್ ಹಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Assisting
ಹಾ
the
ಕೊಡಿ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ.
senior is held up in another court.
It's all right. Give the
Serial number
give the documents.
125, my lords.
I'm
No,
filing
no,
written submission
30ನೇ
with,
ತಾರೀಕು ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ.
this
Wait.
court.
I'll take it on 30th. Immediately after that, Attorney General's matter, I'll take it. All right? Yes.
Lord, serial number
With
120.
your lordship's kind leave.
My lord.
With your lordship's kind leave, my lords.
VC,
Dharwad
wait, Shuraj. Yes.
Please, please.
Interim order not extended.
My lord, serial number 125.
ನೀವು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್, ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Yes.
My lord, serial number 125,
serial
my
number-
lords.
Number
125, my
101,
lords.
my lord.
ED has proceeded to attach my assets. 420 offense, my lords.
120.
125, my lords. List to 125, my lords.
One minute, sir, 1 minute. 1 minute.
My lord, there's an urgency in the matter, my lords. I am under the threat of arrest, my lords.
Oh, that GST matter.
Please, my lords, GST matter 420 offense, my lords, illegal gambling and betting. My lords,
Okay.
tomorrow fresh matters, my lords, it may be.
Tomorrow ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 4 o'clock list close ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Monday.
Monday fresh matters, my lords.
125 ಮಾತ್ರ threat of arrest. So 119. ಅದು ಅವ್ರೇನ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ. ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ 125 Monday fresh
Serial number 101.
Grateful, my lords.
Matter is not listed here.
Madam, I can't take all the matters in fresh matters list on Monday. Irade Monday and Tuesday.
I apologize.
How can I help? Tell me. If all of you want the matters listed, how can I? And already Monday there are 400 matters listed. How much can I take? You also should be considerate. Vacation birthday last 2 days and you can't.
Lordship, serial number 101. Lordship, in
Nah,
serial
okay,
number
I'll-
101.
I'll leave now. Yes.
Connected matter is not been listed. Serial number 122. That is also intention.
It'll, ಅದು ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮೇಡಮ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅದ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಂಡೇ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Lordship, serial number 101, your
One
lordship.
submission, my lords.
Lordship,
Dharwad matter, my lords, one submission.
Number 136, my lord.